Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, CPI report coming up in just a few minutes' time, and we are expecting a drop. I am expecting a drop. I'm going to make a prediction. As you can see here, we are looking at a 6.5 rate. This is the consensus. Most people agree with this, and this is what I feel is likely. Just been watching the figures. It does look like the core consumer price index will come down, but we'll find out in a few minutes. So let's get ready to trade. Let's get ready to invest. Let's get straight into it. Good morning, everybody. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We are here 10 hours a day trying to grow the most honest, real, genuine, passionate, informed YouTube channel in the world. We're joined every day by investors and traders from around the world who share with you their trades, their positions. Honestly, we don't pump and dump. We just show you what we're investing in with our real money. This is my real money, my real shares, and we are investing right now. Okay, let's get ready to go. We've got just a few minutes time. We are watching the CPI report, and it will come out in 15 minutes from now. This is my overall position on the S&P 500. I have 51% of my portfolio here, so I do believe that's a wise thing to do to give stability to my portfolio. Virgin Galactic is another one of my shares, and we're trying to buy a bigger position on a drop. We've got buy orders placed for my Roth IRA as well as my main brokerage account. Let's bring our guests in. We've got Bill, who's first in the active stream. How are you, Bill? And we've got bonus fish and send. Hey, Shin, full send or no send? There you go. Welcome to you. We've got a new guest here in the channel. Consider becoming a member of our channel. You'll notice we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube when it is live viewers who are members. 95% of our live viewers are members, and there's a reason for that. Don't ask me, ask them. They will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. We promote your YouTube channel. We give you concerts. We give you, we celebrate your birthday. We have cash prize giveaways, many more things, exclusive content, member-only events, member-only live videos, and we're here to support everyone. Excuse me 1 second as I just turn down my monitors. There we go, just made a slight adjustment there. And I also want to make adjustment to the back camera right here. There we go, that's better. Just a slight adjustment there to the back of the studio. This is the Martyn Lucas Music Studio. Should we ever celebrate your birthday live on the show or do an online fundraiser concert for you, that's where we do it. So if you become a YouTube member, you get all these perks and benefits. And we're here to help everyone. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok this morning. CPI report today. Welcome everybody on Live Streamer Cafe as well. Welcome to all of you. Our very own platform. This is our own platform which we have, which is for streamers. It's the best way to stream, where you can get all the tips, keep all the money. We have our very own streaming platform. It's called Live Streamer Cafe. It's on the screen right now. livestreamercafe.com. So if you're interested in that there, you can see it there, look. And you can stream in the best, probably the best way you can stream, actually. We built it especially for streamers. Okay, let's move on now. Rivian Automotive down. Tesla, we're getting a bit of a drop this morning. 122. We've got buy orders placed. We want to buy some more. Lucid is down 0.13. Apple is up 0.55. Amazon is up 0.87. I'm just 4% out of the money right now. My average is $99. I've been buying it when it's been going down. McDonald's is 268. I only have one share. I sold my position, looking to buy it back cheaper. Coca-Cola, I used to have a large position, buying it back when it goes cheaper. So I'm prepared today if the markets rapidly go up. I'm fully invested. If the markets go down, I have money on hand in my buying power to buy the dips. And we have more money coming in. We have $2,000 a month coming in, and hopefully that will increase. That's my income from my music gigs and what's left over from living expenses to my music gigs and what I earn here on YouTube. That's my entire income shared with you, and that's exactly what I do with all of it. So everything is here shared with you live on the show. Okay, right, we've got 20 watching and we've got 10 likes. So let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's get 20 likes in 1 minute. If we get to 100 likes a day, we'll do a cash prize draw. Okay, here we go. So smash the like button, and here comes Mr. Mini-Me. Let's see if we can get 20 likes on the board. All right, there you go. I'll zoom in. You can see there are 22 people watching. CPI rate. Let's get 20 likes. If we get, there it is. If we get 100 likes by the end of the show, we'll do a cash giveaway. There we go. 15. It's going up now. Look. 20 seconds to go. One person just unliked. Like again. 16. There we go. 15, 16. Just 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Let's see if we can get 20 likes before the time runs out. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 18. It doesn't look like we did it. Oh, 17. We went back one there. Look, never mind. Got very close. CPI rate coming up in just a few minutes' time, and we are here for it. All right. Okay, let's go through our stocks again right now. Let's have a look at a few things for you that you might be interested in. So this is my position here. Good morning, Shad. Good morning, Mike. Your mini-me looks like my mortgage advisor from St. Agnes. I like that. Your mortgage advisor. It's supposed to look like me. It's supposed to look like me. That's the idea. I tried to make it look like me, but obviously I failed on that. Anyway, this is my overall position. This is my Roth IRA, and then together they give me a overall balance of 36,199, which is nice, right? Let's have a quick look at the expectation today. 5.7. That's what we're looking at. 5.7. If we get that today, then the markets, if we beat that, the market should react positively. And also, let me just go back to some information I've just got to share with you a second. Yeah, 5.7. I was just checking some information. Also, we've also got the heat map up this morning, and you can see what's doing well. We're seeing Apple up 0.45, Microsoft. So this is the heat map. We can see what's moving right now on the markets. We can also go over to our news. Oh, hang on a minute. We might have some breaking news here from Sky News. This is relevant to us. We'll bring this in for you right now. Here we go. Let's have a quick look. Bear with us.
Are going to come in slightly shy of expectations now, and they've been punished with a 20% fall in the share price on the back of that. And we also heard from M. Brand, the largely catalogue and online fashion retailer, the owner of brands such as Jacamo, Simply Be and JD Williams. Well, their shares were off some 6% earlier on. Now, the big question that a lot of people will have is what else is going on? We've yet to hear, for example, from some of the other supermarket multiples, and there'll be a lot of focus, I think, in particular this year on Morrison's. It was taken over by private equity around 18 months ago, and there's been a lot of talk in the market that it's lost its competitive edge because it was loaded up with debt by its new owners. It's worth pointing out in passing, though, that Morrison's has been keeping its prices far, far lower in recent weeks than some of its competitors.
We'll come back to that if we get any more news relevant to us. And we've also got the Bloomberg feed as well. Brent crude is up 1.17, 83.79, 1.37. We're keeping an eye on all of those data points as well. So there we go. So this is the heat map right now. Apple is doing well. Nvidia is out 1.36, Amazon 0.8. Stocks that I invest in are looking pretty hot this morning, which is nice. So that's good. Let's get back to the main position here. We've got just 8 minutes to go before the market reports the CPI. The markets are up 0.5. If I look at my position now over the week, and the month and the year to date, we've started off very, very nicely. Here's my year to date. Sorry, here's my day. Here's my week. And look, if we go to the year to date, we're up 4.86. We started very well this year, much more comfortable without margin. Anyway, CPI due out in just 7 minutes time from now, just over 7 minutes from now. Wow, that graph looked like a Sith Lord, says Andrew Grady. Bring all the comments here on the screen. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of you. Mike, and your mini-me looks like my mortgage advisor. I certainly hope not. It's supposed to look like me. What's going on? Right, okay. Let's get straight into our positions now. Get ready to go. We've got just a few minutes before CPI. 22 people now with me. Thank you very much indeed. If you've just tuned in, awesome. Let's see where we're starting off our subscribers today. We're starting off at the moment on 6,045. Let's see where we end up today. Growing very, very quickly, getting faster every day. All right, there are 28 watching and 20 likes. Smash the like button. Make sure that you are live all the time by clicking the live button here. And you can see I'm behind, see my own stream. Click live and that brings you up to date. So you're fully up to date. And that's very important for our cash giveaways, our competitions and so on and so forth. What news will cause a rise in the market? The CPI coming in lower than expectations. And the expectations is this. This is our expectations, 5.7. If we come in below 5.7, the markets will be up. Hendrik Groen, I believe, is over there on Twitch. Let me just pop in. I think he is. Hendrik Groen, I think you're over there. Is that right? You're over there on Twitch? I believe so. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it is absolutely free. Hendrik, you just subscribed to me on YouTube. Okay, if you were on, well, were you on Twitch just some moments ago? I think you were. If you were on Twitch and you subscribed to me for free using Amazon Prime, your Amazon Prime gaming link, then every first Friday of the month, I do a cash prize giveaway, giving away the money I make in subscribers. Oh, you're on TikTok too. You're moving around. He was on TikTok. Well, welcome to my channel here on YouTube. It's a much better experience on TikTok. We do have a wonderful army on TikTok, but it does work a lot better. This is where my professional investors and traders are. This is where you need to be. And we've got a little bit of fun going on there on TikTok. Let me share my TikTok screen. Here it comes. And you can see... here's my TikTok screen. We've got a little battle going on every morning to get my #1 fan. We try to get to 20,000 likes and we see who our top fan is. And then I follow them back and tag them in my viral posts. So if you become my top fan today, I will follow you back. And also we will promote you in my viral posts. It'll be very bullish if Coinbase relist XRP, says XRP token. We've got a XRP portfolio and a crypto portfolio coming up very soon. We're going to do a feature on crypto very, very soon, supported by Ali Tisro. And we're quite excited about what we're going to bring to you. A special series of videos and live events around crypto where you can follow a plan of $1,000 to $10,000. That's the 10x. That's what we're working on. And we're going to bring that to you very, very soon. All right. Okay, we've got just 4 minutes to go. If you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. There's the thumbnail. The thumbs up, sorry. Awesome, says XRP. I think it's going to be very, very good. Honest, real. My real money invested. It should be quite exciting. Anyway, crypto up 30 billion overnight. Coinbase usually follow the trend to follow day. BTC 18,259. Should I share with you my crypto position at the moment? This is all I have right now. I have my money in my ledger and it is up. Here is my ledger. I've taken it off Robinhood. It's here. And I have got some work to do on this soon. You'll see all about it very, very soon. All right, that's some exciting news coming up. Right, it does look like we've got a battle going on again on TikTok today. If you become my #1 fan by the end of the day, I will follow you back. Let's have a quick look and let's see what's going on TikTok right now. Here we go. Let's bring it in. Who's #1 fan right now? How you become #1 fan is you tap the likes and you do a gift. And then what's the CPI report? Consumer Price Index. It comes up in 2 minutes from now. And the markets are going to go up dramatically or down dramatically. If we go below 5.7, they're going up. If we go above 5.7, they're going down. All right? So that's what we're looking for. Okay. We've got no top fan on TikTok just yet. We'll keep our eye out, and whoever becomes top fan, I follow them back and tag them in my viral posts, and I have 31,000 followers. Be very, very careful, everybody. If anyone messages you on TikTok, Discord, it's not me. I have hundreds now of copycat scammers pretending to be me. Or do nothing if it's 5.7. LOL. It's already priced in. Absolutely. Do nothing. I like that. 22. I'm glad you are here. Was it you who suggested trading economics? Was it you who suggested trading economics to me? Just waiting for your reply. Let me clear that off the screen a minute. Yes, it was. Well, thank you very much for the suggestion. I've now downloaded it. I have it. I use it. And for the very first time here on Martyn Lucas Investor, here it is. This is my trading in economics as suggested by 22, and what we're looking at in the next 45 seconds is this core inflation. We want 5.7 or below. This is the information. This is what we're looking at, and as you can see, this is what it's all about. The Consumer Price Index, we want 5.7, and thank you very much indeed with that information. All right, let's go back. We've got 20 seconds to go. And we have all the dates now of all the events. Let's get ready. Let me bring my overall position. There it goes. We've got 15 seconds to go. Are you ready for it? Any second now, we will see the CPI. Let's have a look. Just moments to go. In fact, any second now, you will see from the reaction of the market. Will it go up? Okay, it's first moving. It hasn't moved yet. Here we go, the CPI. Oh, here we go. Right, have we missed? Have we missed? I've got buys everywhere placed. Blimey, there you go. There is the move we talked about. And we're waiting for the CPI. We haven't got it yet. But obviously, it looks like it's gone down. I usually watch on TikTok. I didn't know you were here 10 hours a day. Nice. Crypto mining company. We've got a crypto feature coming up soon on our channel. We are watching and we don't see the CPI at the moment. I'm refreshing the screen and hang on a minute, let me come back. We might have it now. CPI, bring us the news. We are watching and
on a 10-year, we're down about 4 or 5.
We're keeping an eye. We've got Bloomberg feed.
Euro dollar just hitting 108 briefly, back down again right now with your inflation report. Let's get to Mike McKee. Hey, Mike.
Well, it looks like we are bang on in terms of the forecast for the numbers that come in. The December numbers come in with the headline month-over-month change down 0.1% as forecast. The core up 0.3 as forecast, and that pushes the annual rates to 6.5% for headline, 5.7% for the CPI X food and energy. Doing the calculations.
Thank you. Trading economics. It's updated instantly, so I will refresh it
as we can. The idea that the J. Powell number that everybody is looking for. Taking a look at the percent changes, it looks like food was
5.7. There we go. It came in at 5.7. Now I know that trading economics brings it to me straight away. So we have met expectation, which is good. It's not explosive. We didn't beat the expectations. So today might be quite muted. Okay, so 5.7 5.7. So let's go back and see. So now what we wanted was it to beat expectation, because remember, inflation is still very, very expensive. It's still very high. We need it to come down. So it is 5.7. We know that now, and we can get some more information now. Let me go in a bit closer here. Just bear with me a second. There we go. So it's come through at 5.7. You can see what that looks like. Here we go. This is how it looks. You can see we are going in the right direction. This is just not enough. If we wanted to see the markets do well today, we wanted to see it come down below expectation. Well, it hasn't. The US December core consumer prices rose 0.3 month over month. Estimate is 0.3. So that's exactly right. The consumer price decreased 0.1 month on month. Estimate down 0.1. So everything is exactly as expected. Markets do like predictability, but unfortunately, we didn't beat expectations. So it's good, but no. It's come down, church. It's come down. It's come down, but as expected, 5.7. So yes, you can see this is the CPI. It's come down. We were previous 6. We're now 5.7. That's exactly what we were expecting, though. So we didn't beat expectations. So what we're saying is it was already priced into the market. That's why the markets have dropped a little bit, which is really great, actually. If we'd have beaten expectations, the markets would have gone up. As we have only met expectations, it's not been a crash. There's no reason for it to be a crash because we are going in the right direction. Inflation is down. Inflation has peaked. This is all very, very good news, as you can see. But what we need now is if it drops a little bit, an opportunity to buy some more. So this is good. Very bullish for the markets. Not fantastic, not explosive, we are now in a bull market, but the bear market is running out of steam. So it's great. It's great. If I can buy something today, I will. I've got buy orders all over the place, but I don't think it's going to go down that much. It's just going to sit around here and hover. And that's kind of okay as well. So there we go. Let me bring everybody into the show. If you just tuned in, if we get to 100 likes, we'll do a cash giveaway on our show. We're now at 41 watching on YouTube with 23 likes. So smash the like button to share this video to more people. And as I say, if we get 100 likes, we'll do a cash giveaway. All right. So there we go. Bear market has not run out of steam. No chance. I don't agree with you, Paul. We've had 3 months in a row now of the CPI coming down. Inflation is coming down. Inflation has peaked. That's a fact. After 3 months, you can say if inflation has come down 3 months in a row, inflation has peaked. The markets, the Fed are going to keep the pressure on, though, not to lose control of the benefits of it going down. But this is good. It's not a bull market. It's not fantastic. We're not bullish yet, but the bear market is coming to an end. So that's good. It's all good in my book. All right. So there is no progress then. Yes, there is progress. We've gone from 6%. What do you mean, no progress? We've gone from 6% down to 5.7. So inflation is still high, but it's getting better all the time. According to 22, it didn't go down. What do you mean it didn't go down? Just to be clear, inflation isn't coming down. It is increasing slower. Inflation is still increasing, 0.3 higher than last month, but the rate is coming down. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Sorry if that confused anybody. Like I've said, inflation is still up. All right, we are still in inflation, but the rate is coming down. The rate of inflation of growth is coming down. So just to be clear, inflation isn't coming down. It is just increasing slower. So what we're talking about is the rate is peaked. That's what we're talking about. Want to be absolutely clear on that. And 22, thank you very much for clarifying that. Anyway. So that's why the markets are okay. They're not selling off. We look pretty good. Look, in fact, we're going back up again. So it's bullish for me. I would have liked to have seen it dramatically come down, but 5.7, it's still a step in the right direction. So I'm happy. Good morning, Dr. Smith. We have missed you. We've got a lot of updates for you since you've been gone. We've got a lot of new features on the show. And we've now passed 6,000 subscribers as well. We're on the way to 6,100. And we've got a crypto special starting very, very soon on our show. Dr. Nathan Smith now has a gold badge. He's been a member for a year. Dr. Smith, if you go into your super chats, you will have a free super chat to celebrate. I think if you go and check that, you will find you have a free super chat. Go and have a little look. I'm sure you do, to celebrate your situation. So your membership. So there we go. Forecast 5.7. We hit it. We're happy with that. Let's look at the battle going on over there on TikTok. We've got 3,000 likes. We are looking for our number one fan on TikTok. That's the person who becomes number one fan. We shall give them a prize, and we'll follow them back and tag them in my viral post to over 31,000 of my followers. Be very, very careful on TikTok if anyone messages you. It's not me. I never message anyone. This is my crypto. There we go. Naz, look, Dr. Smith has been a member now for bronze for a whole year. Congratulations. That's why you've got a gold badge now. Right, there's my crypto, my Bitcoin on my ledger. So that's my entire wealth with my portfolio. And there is the heat map. You can see Amazon is steaming ahead right now. 1.31. Very, very important to share the heat map, I think. And there we go. Looking nice this morning. So there we go. Back to the main position. I am up at the moment. Let's check now how we stand. We are up on the day, and the year to date as well. We're up 4.67 now. So we're up on the week. We're still down over the month though, 21%. But we've had 3 weeks in a row now of things moving. So we're looking good. We're looking good. And I'll show you my buying power is ready for a drop. There's $500 ready to be spent on orders if we get some drops. We're not going to get 20, 30% drops, but we might get something. And if we do, I'm ready to pick it up. And we're bringing it. There we go. Hope it goes down and allows me to buy some cheap stocks, because we will rebound again, because inflation has peaked. So there we go. There's my Roth IRA. We're now maxing that out for 22. In April, we'll start 2023. Hopefully, by April, I will have 7,000 in there, and it'll be maxed out with a 1% match from Robinhood. They give you free money. So my overall value now is 36,000. There we go. All right, let me bring some more comments. Love your styling here on YouTube. Thank you so much indeed. Crypto mining, we do have a special crypto special starting soon, and every evening we feature some of my music. This is my Martyn Lucas studio. Let me give you a wave. This is where I do my live music in the evening. Dr. Smith, you've been gone for a while. You would have missed this. I released a YouTube playlist just a couple of days ago. They're doing very well. I'd love you to comment and watch this. Here it is. And also, Dr. Smith, I need your help. I am about to be demonetized by the end of this month if I don't get 4,000 watch hours on my music channel. So please click on that little playlist there and click loop. Let it play or watch any of my playlists or any of my videos. I need to get to 4,000 watch hours. I was at 2,700 3 weeks ago, and all of you are supporting me. I'm now up to 3,350. So we're 650 hours away from getting back. And the world premiere of Sound of Silence was yesterday. And we've got more music coming out, hopefully premiering after today's show. All right. Just got a super chat here. Before I celebrate my super chat, let me just read this out. The Fed's target is 2% at a slowing of 0.3 per month. That's still another year at this pace to get down to 2%, remember. Even at 2%, it means prices are still going up. Correct. Very, very true, and I like the way 22 has explained that. Thank you very much. Inflation doesn't ever go backwards unless you are in deflationary environment, which is absolutely disastrous. People stop buying totally because things will be cheaper tomorrow, next week. Yeah, we don't want that. What do you expect BTC to do? BTC, I'll come on to that in a minute. Hendrik Groen, thank you very much indeed. I've got a super chat. A super chat from Andrew Grady, a £5 super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Your name is highlighted in the chat. There it is. Thank you so much indeed. And as a celebration, thank you so much indeed for your super chat, mate. The market reacts to news like a child being told off. It folds its arms and huffs, goes down, then sheepishly comes back to say sorry. I like that. Thank you for your super chat. Here comes the celebration. Boom. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers, Andrew Grady, for your super chat. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much indeed. And all the money that I get here will be going into my portfolio. So we have a crypto portfolio starting soon. You will see me buying. You'll see all the money. Currently, $2,000 a month goes into my portfolio. We are running a crypto series starting soon, and you'll see all about it. People still credit card swiping, says Church. The economic system makes no sense. Nothing makes sense in life, mate. Cheers, Martin. Just keep the Cornish end up. Oh, my lover, my booty, my handsome. Absolutely bloody right. Okay, let's get back to the main positions. And thank you so much for the super chat, my buddy. Really appreciate it. I like bringing the Cornish back into it. So there you go. United States has the worst form of capitalism, says Church of Logic. Everyone can have their say on the show. If we get 100 likes, we'll give a cash prize giveaway. We have our cash prize giveaway, of course, tomorrow. Every Friday, it's cash prize giveaway. Every single Friday. Do you want to be in the draw tomorrow? We do one every single Friday. Every single Friday. We send out a weekly newsletter on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. If you'd like to receive our weekly newsletter, which gives you all our top tips, what's going on in the markets, some funs, we have some fun, we have some quizzes, and we also have our cash prize giveaway. There is the link. It's the all links button. That's below every video. There is the all links button. If you click on it, it brings you to this page here. You see this page here? This is the all links button with all my free stocks I give away. Robinhood is giving some free stocks away. Who wants some free Apple stocks? Scroll down to my Robinhood free stocks. Here it is, all on the screen for you. Look, on the all links button. But right, all my social media. You can follow me on Stockwits. You can follow me on Twitter, but right at the top there is the newsletter. All right, there is the newsletter right there. Put your email in. You will get a verification email because it's a secure server. We don't send messages out to bots and scammers and stuff like that. So you will get an email, but it will go in your junk folder because it contains cash prize draw. So there you go. That's the email you're looking for, the daytrader at martynlucas.com. It will go in your junk folder. Look in your junk folder, verify the email, and then you'll be able to receive the newsletter. And if you don't receive the newsletter on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, it's because you didn't verify it or it's in your junk folder. So try again. I'm selling puts today, says Crypto Mining Company. Crypto Mining Company, if you are a YouTuber and you become a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel and I will get everybody here to subscribe to you. And they will, because we are the most supportive channel on YouTube, most honest, real channel on YouTube. I only hold stocks, crypto mining. Hi pal, I'm here but busy trading. Congratulations and good for you. Keep me running in the background. Always nice. Supports the channel. Ed Nevius, BBAI, YTEN and MVMV. Backburner, Kern for scalps on watch. Just what I'm watching. There's go. If you want Ed Nevius's tips, he brings them before the market opens every morning on our Discord channel. It's free to get onto our Discord channel, but if you want the exclusive channels and Ed Nevius's tips you need to be a YouTube member. So there's the Discord channel. It's free. You can talk to us 24 hours a day. But if you want the exclusive member-only channels, you do need to be a YouTube member. There you go. And you get back 20 times what you put in. We have the best membership program on YouTube. We know that. That's why 95% of our live viewers are actually members. Okay. All right. It's time for a quick commercial break. By the time I get back in 1 minute, let's get 40 likes. We got 44 people watching. We're on 28 likes. Here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Become a YouTube member, subscriber level, and you can be in this space. You can have your commercial here in this space, and you go live to 20 platforms at the same time, tens of thousands of people across all my networks, and you can be the only one right now. We don't have anyone yet doing it yet, so you'll be the first. We are only a year and a half old, and we're just starting this program. We only launched it 2 days ago. So become a member, $99 a month, and your logo and information will be in that space. All right, Andrew, look at Muln. Muln, we do have a bit of fun with Muln, but we don't take it seriously. Muln is very scammy. Fed Harker, it's time to switch to 25 basis point increments for future Fed rate increases. That's good. The rate of rate hikes is coming down then. That's expected. Remember, 22, I get what you're saying. Rates are still going up, but they're going up by 0.25, not by 0.5. That is good. That is good. Okay. So let's get our likes up now. We need to go to work. We need to go to work and get our likes up. Okay. Everybody, it looks like everybody's on a break at the minute. Everyone's behind me on a break. So let me just wait 30 seconds and I'll do that. Do you see a soft landing? I don't know. I can't predict it. I've got no idea, honestly. I've got no idea. I'm preparing my portfolio either way. Meta is up today. Rio Tinto is up today. Ford is up 0.15. Canoe is down 0.71. We're out of Canoe at the moment. Gove, IonQ. I've got very small positions in all of these. SoFi is moving up. I've got an average of 456. I've only got one share at the moment. Robinhood. Tilray Brands is up. We are now up 9.47. I sold half, remember, to make some profits. Took it off the table. Always, never the wrong thing to do to take profits at all. There we go. Malk, I'm glad you reminded me. Here he is. Now, I say to people every day, Malk, I say to you every day, so it's your fault. It's your fault you don't have it. I don't have YouTube membership yet, so I can't. So you said to remind me. I did say to remind me. So if you are a YouTube member, if you have a badge, you know you're a member because you have a badge. All right. You can have free access to all the exclusive content on Discord. Here is Discord. There you are. Go over there now. And during a show, and only during a show, I upgrade your membership. That's the only way we do it because it's secure and I make sure bots don't do it. So Malk, go into Discord right now for me, please. And go into the welcome all. There's the welcome all. Just say hello, something like that, and I will upgrade you. Anthony Mallion, are you a member? I see you on Discord. You've just said hello. You are, yeah, Anthony Mallion. So this is how we do it. This is what we do. Anthony Mallion is a YouTube member. So I click on his name. He may have already been done. I scroll down, I check the roles, and he is a member. So we can see the exclusive content, including Ed Nevius tips and all the new features that are coming out. And we're adding new things all the time. But he can also see this, the in-broadcast lounge. So he can call in and be live on the show. There it is. Let me just mute that a minute. There is the broadcast lounge. So all YouTube members can call in, have their say, you know, be part of the show. I see Malk is typing. So the moment Malk appears, there we go. Malk, this is what I need to do for confirmation. Is that you? So in YouTube, confirm that's you. I know this sounds silly, but there are many people trying to manipulate, pretend to be somebody else, take advantage of all the perks. So Malk, in YouTube, just confirm that is you. It looks obvious to everybody, but trust me, there are over 100 people who are copying to be me, and they look like me, they say they're me, but they're not me because they send you messages trying to sell you dodgy Bitcoin, and they are not me. So Malk, just say yes in YouTube, that's you, and then we can upgrade you. So as soon as you've done that, I will come back. And Hydrogen has just joined over there on TikTok. Sorry, Discord. If you're a member here on YouTube, I will upgrade you as well. So we're just waiting for Malk, but we will come back. We won't just sit there and wait. We'll wait for Malk to say, yes, it's me, and I will upgrade him. Sorry for all the security measures, but we have to protect you and the channel, and everything about this has to be real, genuine, and honest, okay? That's what we want to do. That's me, Martin. There we go. That is Malk. So, Malk UK, you have the same name. I don't need to do you a nickname. And Rolls, here you go. You are now a YouTube member. All right, Malk. There you go. So Malk UK, you can now see all the channels. He wanted this so he could see Ed Nevius' tips, and then he could communicate with Ed and get all the wonderful things. Ed Nevius, that was another person who wants to join your very special members only service. I know you only have like 20 members left to offer for free for complimentary as being a YouTube member to my channel. So there you go. Another perk of being a member, you get some very, very in-depth charts and predictions from Ed Nevius. There we go. Andrew, that stinks. Just pull back scalp, says Ed Nevius. Some conversation going on over there. Right, Hendrik Groan. Hendrik Groan, if you become a YouTube member, we will upgrade you and you get all the perks and benefits. I see you're over on YouTube and you've just come into Discord, so check that out. Here's the invitation to join. Cheers, Malk. You're very, very welcome. I'm sure you'll do very well on Ed Nevis' tips. His success rate is about 80%. It's very, very good. But obviously, do your own due diligence. It's not financial advice. What we're sharing is what we are doing ourselves, what we are buying ourselves. We're not promoting anything or just saying, hey, buy this because we're making, mad predictions. What we are doing is giving you what we are doing ourselves with our own real money. And you can judge us on our success, but never follow what anyone else does. We're just sharing with you what we're doing, and then you can do what you like with that information. All right, we need to go to work. We've got 37 watching, 30 likes, so let's do it. We need, in fact, I'm not going to do it yet. Yes, I am. I'm optimistic. I'm always optimistic. What am I talking about? I want 30, shall we go 40 likes? 40 likes in 1 minute. 40 likes in 1 minute. Smash the like button. Let's do it right now. Here we go. 40 likes in 1 minute. We get to 100 likes a day. We're doing a cash prize giveaway. There we go. There's 30, 31, 32, 40 likes in 1 minute. Chicky, 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 pow, pow, said chicky, 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 pow, pow, with the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. 33, 34. Let's get to 40 in 1 minute. If we get to 100 likes a day, we have a cash prize giveaway. I want to give some money away. If you're over there on TikTok, join us on youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile, same name as this channel. I don't think we're going to do it just yet. 36, getting very close. 8 seconds to go. 36, we didn't quite get there. Okie dokie. No cash giveaways just yet. All right, we'll try again later. We'll keep on going. Market's looking very, very nice today. I'm fully invested. This is my overall position. Let me share with you, we've got a battle on TikTok to become my top fan today. If you are over on TikTok now, you can become my top fan. And if it says you are the number one fan, you've liked the most or you've gifted the most, and it could be like for 0.0001 cent, it's like nothing. Just a few roses, you can become the top fan, and then I'll follow you back and introduce you to my 31,000 followers. It's a new feature I started today, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to help people grow on TikTok. All right, 5.7, Andy, yes, is the CPI rate today. It's come down. There we go. HD Grown is my number one fan now. Hello, he says. If you remain number one fan by the end of the show, there you are. I can see you on YouTube. I will follow you back and tag you in my viral posts. Thank you very much. Hendrik here. Hendrik today is all over it. He's on YouTube. He's on TikTok. He's on. He might have even popped into Twitch for the cash prize giveaway there as well. And I know he's on Discord. He just needs to become a YouTube member, and this guy is going to get exploded across all my networks. So there's the invitation to join. It's only a couple of bucks a month. I suggest you do, because the memberships are there to benefit you, not me. They're there to benefit you. Ask every one of my members. That's why 95% of our live viewers are members. Don't take my word for it. You ask them. They will tell you why they do it. Okay. We've got a competition now on TikTok. It looks like there's a competition. Crypto mining companion. We've got a great crypto feature starting soon, and we're going to do some really good work with that. So look forward to that. Okay. Now, for those of you who don't know, I was actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Here is my music studio, and every night we release special music from my music channel. Go and take a look at my music channel. Here it is on the screen for you right now. There it is. And I've got some premieres that just came out yesterday, and there will be another premiere tonight. So join us for the closing bell. The world premiere of another pop video comes out tonight. I hope you'll join me with full production, and that comes out tonight. Please subscribe to my music channel and check out the premiere tonight. All right. Okay, I'm trying to get all the TikTokers over to YouTube. Andrew Grady, you're doing a great job, as always. We've got 6,500 followers now. 6,500 likes, 31,000 followers. Okay, we got Day Trader of the Day coming up as well. Our competition we do every day. It's our cash prize giveaway tomorrow. It's free to enter, free for all. That's tomorrow. All the market is up today. This is great, 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 great. I would love a drop though, a sell-off, because people will take profits and we could get drops, and I've got buy orders across the board. I would love to own some more Tesla. It's only 1.94 of my portfolio. I would love it to be somewhere in in the region of 10%. I'm very bullish on Tesla, just not bullish on Elon Musk anymore. He's a bit of a clown, and he lies. He lies, he lies, he lies. He says things he won't do, and he does them 3 times in a row. We know, you all know what I'm talking about. Lucid's up 4% today. That's nice. Apple is up. I'm still down 8%. Amazon is up. Now, you don't ever chase a pump like this. This is when it's going up. This is nice, but we get a pullback. That's when you buy in. Okay. Yeah, there was a quick dump, mate, Andy said, over there on TikTok. Let's have a quick look at the heat map and see what is hot today. This is my overall position. I'm now up today, 0.64. We are now up on the week, and year to date, we are also up as well. Look at that. Very nice indeed. 4.66. In fact, 5.12 year to date. My overall position, I'm now worth 36,266. This all started from $5,000, live on the show in front of everyone. Lucid just jumped up. My cost average is 661. I haven't got any more funds to buy that, I'm afraid, and I'm not buying a pump. I did say to you, let's look at the heat map. We can see what's growing the most. There's the heat map. It looks like... what's doing the most? Let's zoom in here. We've got ORLY is up 5.8. The biggest losers, BDX down 4.08 today. What else is looking hot today? What's looking really nice and green? It's cooling off a little bit, but it's a general green day. Amazon's up 0.05. Something down here is looking a bit hot. Disney up 1.92. Netflix up 1.68. There we go. There's the heat map for you. Very nice indeed. Okay, let's get back to our breaking news. If we can check in on Bloomberg and Sky News, let's have a quick look. Here we go. Let's have a quick listen in.
Increases and start expectations down 0.1% on the headline, up 0.3 on the core. Food prices up but decelerating. Gasoline prices fell off a cliff during the month. Apparel prices were surprisingly up a little bit, but we were just talking with Dana Telsey about that, and she said that's because men's clothes are selling better. Used cars down almost the same as the prior month. So some of the categories that had pushed inflation higher over the last year really starting to back off now. And that's true in the goods area. You can see goods prices are continuing to deflate, down 0.5%. From the 0.8 in November. Services prices, though, still going up. So that makes us look at the core services ex-housing number, Jay Powell's number, and that was up 0.3% in December compared to 0.1%, taking out rent and owner's equivalent rent. And that's a number that matters to the Fed because they know home prices are not rising anymore, but it still shows up that way in the CPI. So the question becomes, what does the Fed do from here? They were slow to react to inflation going up. Now are they going to be slow to react to inflation coming down? That's an open question at this point, although we do have Pat Harker from the Philadelphia Fed this morning saying he's ready for 25 basis points instead of 50. And Susan Collins said the other day she is too. We'll see who else joins that parade.
So there you go. That's the situation with the CPI this morning. I know it's still bad, but you have to look at it as we are moving in the right direction. So this is, for me, what I want to be. I want to be fully invested. I want to be ready. I want to have money to buy if we get drops. But I'm fully invested. It's a great time to be in. I always find opportunities. There's the heat map looking good, and we've got a few things down. We've gone through what they are, and I want to go back to TikTok. There's a bit of a battle there today to become our top fan, and at the end of the day, whoever's top fan will be followed back. You need to be here at the end of the show so I can touch your name on the screen and follow you back. So if you disappear, let me just refresh that a minute. There we go. There you go. That's better. All right. So I will follow back my top fan and tag you in today's viral post. It's a new feature that I started today. All right. Very exciting. Okay. My overall position as well. This is my Bitcoin today. We are up 9% on the week. This is my ledger. It lives on my ledger. It's off Robinhood. So that's looking pretty good. And if I go over to the main portfolio, you can see where we are now at 5.3% on the year. I'm very, very happy. I'm up to date 0.84, and my overall wealth now is $36,000. All started with just $5,000 live on this show. Okay, let's get back to our live position and see. We've got 40 watching now and 39 likes. Fantastic. If we get to 100, we'll give away a cash prize. We do have our cash prize tomorrow. Who's got the newsletter? Okay, I'm going to do a poll. This is for people. Have you subscribed to the newsletter? It's free, of course. Subscribed to the free cash prize newsletter. Okay, have you subscribed to the free cash prize newsletter? And if we get lots of no's, yes, no, would like to. Please share link. Okay, so there you go. Have you subscribed to the free cash prize newsletter? Yes. No, you obviously don't want it, or would like to, please share the link. And if I get a few people, I will certainly share the link and you can be in our cash prize draw. We do it every single Friday and you get all the other perks as well. There you go. Ask the community. There's a poll coming out now. There we go. Have you subscribed to the free cash prize newsletter? If you have, yes. If you haven't, no. Or if you'd like to, yes, you know which one I'm on about, the bottom, the third option, would like to, please share link. Okay. Yes, what day do you send it? On Sunday. Looking forward to the crypto feature. Mount, I need some in my portfolio, and the unbiased opinions of the show will be interesting. Absolutely right. And I will invest my own money doing it. It's going to be very exciting. You'll see it. Special features, exclusive content for members as well. Behind the scenes, we've got lots of information to share with you. It's going to be really, really great. I'm very excited about it. So there we go. Okay. Let's read some of these comments out. Remember, the market isn't just about inflation. Interest rates haven't been this high for 15 years. When this filters through economy, lots of people will be in trouble. Credit cards, car loans, mortgages. It's why I've always said, and I will say over and over and over and over again, all right, very, very important, but I started investing when I paid off my mortgage, when I paid off my credit cards, when I paid off my car loan. I have no loans. I've got nothing to risk. Okay, so I can buy the dips, and now I basically the principle is building the foundations. You build your business to earn money, to buy your home, to provide yourself with a life. You then work to pay off. You don't use the stock market to make loads of money and gamble and stuff like that, to pay off your mortgage quick and stuff like that. That's all gambling and speculative and crazy. You work hard, do a real job, you make money, whether it's a business or you work at McDonald's, it makes no difference. And you live within your means, you pay off you live within your means. If you can't afford it, you don't buy it. If you live on bread and water, you live on bread and water. I've done that. I've made those sacrifices. All right? Paid off the car loan, paid off the mortgage, have no loans. Now I add my first $5,000. Now I'm investing with no credit, with no debts. It's easy. The only mistake I made, which was part of my learning curve, was the margin, and I'm not touching that again. Portland Trailblazers, when is the CPI coming out? It came out 45 minutes ago, and it's come down to 5.7. So inflation is still up, but the rate of inflation is coming down. So we have peaked, and to give you a kind of, if you like, animation, there it is. There's inflation, how it peaked. You can see how it peaked there, 6.6. I'm holding my finger over it, 6.3. This is the core inflation, and we're now down at 5.7. So there you go. You can see how inflation is coming down. It's still up. We're still 5.7. We're still going, things are getting more expensive, but the rate of the inflation increasing is coming down. This is all positive, but of course the Fed want to see it down at 2%. So it's good. It's all in the right direction. It's what we want to see. We didn't beat expectations. We met expectation. The expectation was 5.7, and we got there. Interest rates, not inflation rate. Interest has been over 5% in the 2000s, says 22. Everyone can't live life the same way. If that was the case, nobody would need to invest. No, everyone lives their own life and makes their own decisions. And to be honest with you, church, most of it is luck. Don't ever pat yourself on the back, because most of your choices in life are like everybody else's. They are simply luck. You could do everything right, work hard, and have physical ailments. You could do everything right and your house burn down. You could do everything right and lose your job. So, it's fair to say that, most things, most things are down to luck. Honestly, you never congratulate yourself too much. So many people think, well, if I do the right things, I'm clever, I work hard, I'm going to be a millionaire. Well, not necessarily. The point is, live your best life. Do the best you can. Find the happiness. Find the love in everything you do. Ignore the negativity. Always be positive. Surround yourself by great people. Surround yourself by great people and live your best life. And the rest is down to luck. If you're honest, anyone on any YouTube channel or anywhere at all who tells you, follow me, do this, and you will have this happen to you, and everything will be great, is trying to sell what we call hopery. And it's good for one person and one person alone. The producer of the content, the producer who sells the book, the guy who sells the YouTube channel. It's not good for you. You do not, I hope, you do not come here to have your head filled with dreams and ideas and nonsense. You come here to share the ups and the downs of life, the real support. Life isn't always easy. Sometimes life is hard. We face it all together. We support each other. Sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down, but we're always moving forward positively together. And you've seen me go through it all. I've been bankrupt once. I've lost my mum. I've lost my dad. I've got divorced. I lost my home. I lost my kids. I lost my business. I've been margin called. I've had COVID. I've had COVID. Hey, I'm in the COVID club. But we're here. We're live every day. And that's half luck too. Just glad everything works. And thanks to Chris last night, who helped me fix my computer. Have you noticed how much faster it is today? How much faster it is. Look, Chris, I'm flying around the portfolio. I'm flying around the animation. I'm bringing in screens left, right, and center. We've got a battle on TikTok going on. We can change screens. We can go from this screen to this screen. We can do all sorts of things this morning. Oh, we're living the dream. We're living the dream. We're in, we're out. We're shaking it all about. Look at that. Can you believe it? Heat map. I mean, we've even got a heat map this morning. If you've got a heat map on your show, you're a serious YouTuber. I've got a heat map, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a heat map. Anyway, let's go. I got some comments coming here. Jez West, very true, exactly, Martin. I'm glad you like the comments there. I'm glad. A lot of successful people don't admit a lot of it is luck. Obviously, you need to work bloody hard, but that doesn't mean you'll be successful. Correct. You'll be successful just by being happy. Success is not measured on your monetary value and whether your stock market's up. I'm successful. I am a millionaire, and all I have in the bank is I was all showing off then about all my things and I forgot what I was doing. There we go. All I've got in the world is that. So I'm a millionaire with 36 grand. I'm a millionaire because I have $1 million of love in the bank from the greatest YouTube family on planet Earth. And I love my life. I love my life. Didn't like it when I had COVID, but everyone was here supporting me. I had lots of get well wishes. Didn't have that many super chats. Thought I might get more super chats when I was doing my show as COVID. I thought, I've got COVID. This is a life-threatening illness, and I'm going live every day. I'm going to make lots of money out of this. Not really. A few super chats here and there, couple of bucks here, but not much, if I'm honest. So that didn't work out very well. Getting ill and nearly dying didn't work out that good, really. I thought it could have been better. I always thought if I get a life-threatening illness, I'll do really well on YouTube. That'll blow me up. No, it didn't really. Nah. Let me read these comments out. 100% 22. Good morning. Added something amazing on LSC. Did you? What did you do, Chris? What did you do? What did you add amazing on LSC? Do you want to tell me all about it? We'll put it on the screen. This is our very own platform. We're giving artists, performers, gamers, anyone who wants to stream anything unconditionally, where you get all the tips, keep all the money, get paid instantly, have a wonderful time, get searchable on YouTube, on Google. You can actually grow a portfolio. Oh, look at that. Look, we've got stuff happening on the screen on LSC. We've got super chats coming in. We've got money coming in, and we've got amazing, wonderful things. Do that again, Chris. Do it again. Success in life is not about luck. It's about managed thoughts, focused attention, and deliberate action. It's only a sprinkle of luck. You need some luck, Ali. You do need some luck, my friend. You really, really do. We've just talked about it. We've been talking about our crypto project as well. People are very, very excited. A lot of people come over from TikTok this morning. Look at that. We got more explosive news. Developer says no. Look at that. Live Streamer Cafe, our live streaming platform. There we go. Love it, Chris. Looking good. I like it. Very, very nice indeed. Thank you, Chris, for that. That's awesome. Sometimes we are miserable. Yeah, you are. Sometimes you are. It's pure luck. We live in a Western world and not a village in Africa. It's luck, mate, a lot of it. Exactly. Of course it is. What if you were born in somewhere else where you had everyone shooting you and there was disease everywhere? Hey, how about that? Hi, Chris. Added LSC. Stephen Lewandowski is a regular on LSC, by the way. Don't know why Caden Youngquist is not yet streaming. Caden Youngquist, what are you doing? What you can have on Live Streamer Cafe, you can actually have your YouTube channel running 24/7 like this. Look, it's called Deja View. See, look. See these orange ones? These are YouTube channels and that are running, gaining subscribers, and you're missing out. I try to help you out, but you never listen to me. Try to help you out, but you don't listen. I've come off Facebook and back on YouTube. Jez West, I told you it was better here, mate. You didn't listen to me either. I kept telling you YouTube is better, but no one listens to me. Success is the impact you make on others and what you leave this earth with. When I die, there's going to be a bloody great YouTube channel with music and me talking rubbish every day. That's what I'm going to leave. I'm talking about financial success. Yes. I sent 3. Yes, you did. We're talking about those super chats my bloody screen is. Let me just fix that a minute. There we go. That's better. Oh, look at that! We've got a streamer. We've got a streamer on what do you call it? Live Streamer Cafe. It's only my own platform. I don't know what it's called. Look over there. Look on LSC. There's Al H. Al H. You are now on 20 platforms at the same time. Al H. Can you see yourself there? If you say something nice, I will share it to the world. And if you just click on my YouTube channel and pop into YouTube right now, you can share your information with everybody, and everyone can come and follow you. So we're on 20 platforms right now. Al H, come and join us and say hello, and we'll get all our followers to love. And there we go. One of our streamers. You can go and check him out. He has wonderful music you might like. I sent as much as I could, says Caden Youngquist, and it was very well appreciated, Caden. You know I'm bloody joking. Mike, just give me a super chat. I missed it. This is our fan of the year, by the way, who's got a special commemorative mug being sent to him very, very soon. That is Mike. Thank you very much, Mike. You are an absolute star, as always. You know it. Here it comes. Boom. Boom. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Mike. Cheers, mate. Thank you. No point on working hard and not having a focused attention whenever you need amount of luck. It still won't go well. That's true. You do need to work hard as well. If you get herpes, I'll send you. If you get herpes, I've got a bit of a scratch on the top of my leg. Bit of a scratch, Andrew Grader, this morning. How bad was COVID? Can you share your experience? I can. I happily share my experience with you. And then we get to the bottom of the comments. Ha to Jason Fallon. MMV is pumping. That was a top tip from Ed Nevius this morning. Al Hoffman has just made a comment. So let me share it. Because I'm a nice guy. I like helping people, don't I? I like helping people. Right? Why do I like helping people? Do you know why I do it, don't you? Do you know why I like helping people? Al Hoffman. Do you know why I like doing it, Al? Because it's fun. There's nothing better. I can't wait to be able to give away thousands of dollars cash prizes on my YouTube channel. We already do cash prizes nearly every day, but I can't wait to give away more money. I can't wait to see Al Hoffman, a huge rock star, on Live Streamer Cafe. I can't wait for that. I can't wait for Chris to stop pestering me middle of the night with updates on LSC. I can't wait for that. When I'm rich and famous, he might stop doing it. But right now, he still does it. Jez West, it's my kid's birthday today. Right, we've got a celebration today to do for Jez West. Jez West, are you a member? Hang on, is Jez West a YouTube member? No, he's not. He's not. Jez West, right, Jez West, if you become a YouTube member, it's one of the perks of being a member. There are many, many perks. You get 20 times back what you put in. Here is the invitation to join. Become a member right now, and I will go right now in the studio, the Martyn Lucas Music Studio behind me, and I will sing "Happy Birthday" to you, and we'll do it. We'll do it to the name of your child. You get to keep the video. It's yours forever. You will have it. Anyone who has a birthday who's a member gets that perk, plus many, many more perks. Just a couple of bucks, you will get to own. So this is what I say, Jez West, to you. If you love your child, do you love your child? Is it worth $2 for them to have a very, very special birthday and be celebrated across the world by thousands of people? And I will make the video, sing for you live, and you will get to keep the video forever. Is that worth $2? If it's not, you clearly don't love your child enough. I'm just saying. All right, let's scroll down. Martin had your Paul McCartney on loop last night, but the views didn't seem to go up. Will persevere. They do go up. They do go up. They do go up. The watch hours now are at 3,350. We're nearly at 3,400. 650 to go. They are. If you do watch my playlist on YouTube, they do go up. They don't refresh to you as quickly, but I see them on my studio details. So there you go. Yeah, sorry, I had to share. The fireworks for a compliment is cool. Did you like that? Yeah, you got nothing like that on nothing like that in LSC, mate. You need fireworks like that. The luck started when we were swimming in a sack. The luck started when we were swimming in a sack. That's a good one. Andrew Grady looking good. I'm trying to accumulate as much cash we can drop. Ali Tisro, did your parents get you out? Does LSC help your 4,000 watch hours? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Al Hate right now, who's watching my music, watching this show right now. In fact, the watch hours from my YouTube channel are seen everywhere. They're seen on my website. They're seen on LSC. Wherever I share the link to my YouTube channel, it is increasing my watch time. It is indeed, including LSC. That's why LSC is so good. Right, moving on. Let me go through all my stocks. We got 5 minutes before the bell goes. I'm trying to read everyone's comments. Pff, you love it. You know it, says Christopher Marantet. Well, you say that. You say that. Oh, I just got another Martyn Lucas's call. Al Hoffman. Ladies and gentlemen, Al Hoffman has just pronounced, did you see that? Did you miss that? Al Hoffman, do it again. Al Hoffman pronounced to the world, I'm cool. I don't know if you saw that. Al Hoffman, do it again. Do it again, Al Hoffman. Do it again. Do it now. Don't do it in 5 minutes. Do it now. I'll give you 5 seconds, otherwise I'm going to go. Jez West says, no, I don't love my children. He doesn't love his children, apparently. He doesn't love his children. Well, I mean, that's fair enough. There we go. Martyn Lucas is cool. Al Hoffman did it again. Boom. Shall we give him a sound effect? Give him a sound effect. There we go. There you go. Did you know that? I'm officially cool. Nobody under the age of 50 thinks I'm cool. I'm telling you that for nothing. Anyway, just saying. Okay, we got 5 minutes to go. We got to open. We got to ring the bell and do all the stocks. It's 2 of them, and you're right. They get on my nerves. They will both get a birthday song, Jez West. That's $1 each. Who thinks Jez West is basically abusing his children here? He won't pay $1 per child to celebrate their birthday from the World Piano Man and millions of people around the world. I think it's disgusting. I think it's disgusting. Can you do a cereal bowl for your merch, please? Probably, yeah. Would you like it? Would you like a breakfast bowl with, there you go, look, right on the bottom of the screen. These are the wonderful things that you can get from the channel. Look, wonderful things, mugs, hacks. We've even got iPhone cases. iPhone cases with Martyn Lucas on it. I mean, seriously, guys, could you get better than this? I don't think you can. I think it's the best YouTube channel in the world. You know there's a delay when you make demands on people. Yes, I know there's a delay, Chris. But they need to take that into account and get on with it. Poll, shall I buy puts on SPY? Okay, we are 3 minutes to go. Here we go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Jez West doesn't want to celebrate his children, doesn't want to do happy birthdays, doesn't want to spend $1 per child. That's okay. Don't you feel sorry for Jez West's children? I feel sorry for Jez West's children. I feel it's awful. See, half luck. You could have been born to Jez West. You could have been Jez West's child. Me, it's costing me enough tonight. One of them is 21 and the other is 30. Doesn't matter. Happy birthday song. Disgust. Rubbish. I'm weak at water. Weak as water, it'll tell. Yeah, I'm weak as water. Weak as water, I tell you. What's up with you? Someone asked me to express my COVID experience. We've got 2 minutes to go, so I'll do it very quickly. I got COVID, and I didn't die, and I'm still here. No, seriously. I got COVID. I felt like absolute crap. It was a really, really bad flu. Now, I have had the vaccinations. I'm double boosted, so that must have helped. So I appreciate the vaccinations for the scientists to come up with that, and thank for the government to provide it to me for free. It didn't cost me any money, so I do appreciate that. So thank you to those people. It was awful. I was very lucky as well because the doctor prescribed me lots of what's the word I'm looking for? What's it called? Not medicines. There's a word. There's a word for it. I'm trying to think what it is. Not hormones. What's the bloody word? I can't think what the word is. But the doctor did, and I was really bad for. Here we go. Here's the timer. I was really bad for a few days, and then I got a chest infection as well, which made things worse. But I'm good now. I'm over it. Antibodies, not antibodies. No, steroids. Here we go. 1 minute to go, folks. Here we go. I turned GIFs on because I didn't have it on. Andrew Grimm, turn your GIFs on. Al Hoffman, only twice. Is this Al Hoffman? Al Hoffman's on YouTube. Here we go. Right, Al Hoffman, have you got a YouTube channel that you want every single person to subscribe to? I can make that happen. I can make that happen. I promise you. I promise it's true. This is the most supportive YouTube channel in the world. Yes, stay right there. I'll be back in a couple of minutes, and I promise a special surprise for you. All right, you're going to love it. Okay, here we go. The bell's about to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The markets are open. Let's see where we go right now. Here we go. We're going to get a drop and a bounce back. I hope it goes down 10%. It will bounce back because I can pick up some bargains. Please go down. Please, please, please. Right. Al Hoffman, while you're waiting, it's a little... are you prepared to take a leap of faith? Are you prepared to trust me? There is the invitation to become a member of my channel. It's only a couple of bucks. Trust me, if you become a member of my YouTube channel, this is not for me getting rich. I promise you. You'll find out in a minute why. You will get 20 times back what you put in. That's why I have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. More live, 95% of my live viewers are members. And they are members because they get back 20 times what they put in. Trust me, all my members, tell Al Hoffman why you should become a member, and trust me, it's the best thing you could do today. I guarantee it, 100%. If you don't believe me, I'll tell you what, if it's not the best thing that happens, it happens today, I will give you your money back. I will give you your membership back. I will send you a cash app for $2. All right, I promise you, so that you've got nothing to lose. That's a guarantee, right? Okay, here we go. The overall portfolio, we're into the markets now. We're up 0.54. This is my overall portfolio. I've not been able to buy anything. Nothing has dropped. I've got buy orders across the board. Nothing went low enough. This is great. This is going to be a green day. Very, very nice indeed. If we get to 100 likes during today's show, we will give away a cash prize today as well as tomorrow. So subscribe and ring the bell if you've just tuned in. See, Stephen Lewandowski says, join out. I'll even guarantee to give you your money back if you don't think it's the best thing that happens today. If it's the best $2 investment you ever made. All right? Okay, smash the like button. We need 100 likes. We got 43, 55 watching. And we need to do... we need to get to 100 for a cash giveaway. Okay, I'm also going to give the link to people who want to be in our cash prize draw tomorrow. And we're going through the stocks. This is what's moving. The S&P Virgin Galactic is going up. We're in. We want to buy more shares. Up to 2,000 shares we'd like to own. Virgin Orbit is going up. Rivian is going down. Tesla is going down. I want it to go down. I've got a buy order on my Roth IRA and on my main brokerage account. So I'm hoping to get some discounts today because the markets are bullish today and we want to get a drop so we can get in and get some bargains. So I'm in if it goes up, I'm in if it goes down. No margin, no options trading, just genuine, straightforward purchasing of shares. All right, Al Hoffman hasn't yet become a member. He's thinking, I don't know if I can trust this guy. I don't know. He wants $2 out of me. Sounds like a bit of a scammer to me. I don't know. Got to split. Catch you up soon. Have a nice day. Oh, he's missing out. He's not doing it. Oh, he's not going to do it. Al, I said I would give you your money back. Oh, trust me. I promise you, it's the best thing you could do to your YouTube channel today. I promise you. He doesn't believe me. Oh, it's like I'm trying to help him. He's thinking, I don't know about this. I'm not spending $2. I don't know if it's real. All right, you come back another day, mate. Trust me, it's the best thing. Anyway. I've even said I'd give him a cashback money guarantee. Let him go. I've let him go. See you later. Andrew, markets are green all around. Looking good. Now then, let me quickly run a very, very quick commercial break to bring everybody up to date. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you are a YouTube member and you are a sponsor level, you could be in this space right now. And it goes out to 20 platforms a day and over 10 hours a day, you could be in that space for a YouTube sponsor membership. All right, awesome. Not green over here, says Fusion 301. Let's have a look. My overall portfolio is just up 0.05. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it indeed. Dual, it's a bargain. I know. Some people don't know. They just don't know. They think, is it real? I don't know. Don't know. Who's this guy on YouTube asking me for $2? They just don't know. It's all right. It's all good. Sparks will fly. I like that one. Oh, that's my one, isn't it, Chris? I like that. What's going on there? Oh, nothing. It's fine. I got worried there for a minute. So, what sector's going down? Says Andrew Grimm. Let's have a look. Let's look at the heat map. You can see exactly from the heat map what is up, what is down. There we go. Microsoft is. Let me give you this one here. You can see the overall S&P 500. There you go. It's my favorite one. We've got Microsoft is a bit red. ADP, what's looking good is ROP up 6.23. We've got BDX is down 3.68. This is the S&P 500. Apple, Nvidia is not bad, up 1.01. Yeah, I'm working on having it where only certain compliments will trigger fireworks. Very nice, Chris. You can do it. I believe in you. Amazon is up 0.83. That's nice. McDonald's is down. Oh, MCO, sorry, and not McDonald's. MCO down 4%. I say if it had gone down 4%, I would have ended up buying some this morning. So that's looking pretty nice. Might be a case of selling the news today. Big rise yesterday on anticipation of a decent CPI print. Can I get my money back for the first 5 months so I can then pay for the next 5 months? No, you can't. You've had brilliant service. You've had amazing service and you've loved it. Big Bear is going crazy. Andrew Grimm. Let's have a look. Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that? Let's have a look. My overall portfolio, here it is. Let's go back to our news and see what news we have. If we get 100 likes, we've got our cash giveaway. Right, let me check our poll right now. So yes, 50%, 35% of you don't want the newsletter, don't want to win free money, don't want to get the top tips. That's okay. 35% of people can be miserable, I don't care. But 15% would like the link. So yes, okay, so here it is. If you said yes, you'd like the link, every Sunday 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, we send out a newsletter. Nothing is bought. I'm excited. Keep on going. Keep on going down. I want things to get bought. Look at this. We've got some excitement on LSE. Look, I'm getting applauses coming in. We've got fireworks now on LSE. Look at how exciting is that? How exciting is that? All right. We're going to do an LSC Live Streamer Cafe special day in a few weeks' time. And I want all the streamers from all around the world to stream live. And I'd love all of my members here to be with me on Live Streamer Cafe that day. I want all of you to join me. It's a special event. And we're going to have a lot of fun with it. Right. So here is the link. If you want to get my free newsletter, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT on Sunday. It comes out Sunday, and then you can be in the cash prize giveaway for the following Friday. Without it, you can't be in the cash prize giveaway. There is the weekly newsletter in the chat right now. When you click on it, you will see this page here. All right, you'll see that. You put your email in there. If you scroll down, this is my all links. All my free cash giveaways, all my Twitter, all my stock wits, all my different all my different things there are below. But if you put your email in here, you'll then get an email verification. You need to verify the email because it's a secure server. It will go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. Go to your junk folder and verify it. Now, if you don't get the email on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, it's because you haven't verified or it's gone into your junk folder and you're just not seeing it. All right, you can unsubscribe at any point. Please just unsubscribe if you don't want it. Don't block it. You subscribe to it. You can unsubscribe it if you don't want it. That way it protects the channel. Thank you very much indeed. Too much sales pitching going on. Stocks, please. Steady on, church. Steady on. It's the same balance as always. Don't have a go at me. What's going on? Church of Logic, me and Church of good friends, but he does get a bit mardy sometimes. Yeah, heat map updates to mild red. You want to see my heat map? I'm giving more stock information today than I've ever done ever. We've got the heat map today, which is a new thing. You're getting more information on the heat map. I'm also bringing you this screen today, which is new. The CPI information, that's new today. What are you on about? Giving you more today. Stop bloody moaning. Church of Logic's in a miserable mood. Is it raining up in New York today? Right. The S&P 500 is just going down, moving up slightly. Let's go through it. Trying to find, let's have a look. Yeah, heat map updates to mild red. I had to make a second Discord on my PC, my laptop Discord playing up. Can you upgrade me? I'll say hi in the welcome all. Yes, I can, Andrew Grady. I'll go into Discord right now. There you are. I'll wait to see you. Come into the welcome all. And I will see you in there. When you come into welcome all, Andrew, I will see you. Is that you? Andrew Grady, confirm on YouTube. Is that you? I know it sounds obvious, but just confirm on YouTube that is you. And I can upgrade your account. And it's raining today. Church of Logic, see? It's raining. He's like a very moody person, isn't he? Yes, that's me. All right, Andrew Grady, you've already got the correct name. I don't need to give you a nickname, but I can now give you a role as member. Andrew Grady, there you go. You are now a YouTube member. Done. Thank you very much indeed. Everyone, welcome him in. All right, thank you ever so much. Done. Was that quick enough, church? Can you answer my question? Sorry to answer again. James Owen, give me your question again. I focus on my members. I answer. This is the only YouTube channel you'll ever see that answers everyone's questions. I work flat out, 10 hours a day, answering and speaking to every person. I have to focus on my members, though. That's why they are members. So I physically might not be able to get to everyone. If you are a member, every member gets replied to. Every member gets their comments answered, has polls, review stocks. Every member gets that. Okay? And as that gets too much, I might have to make it only silver members. It will just, as it grows, we have to grow with it. So, James Owen, I've got a moment. What was your question? Please ask again, and I will answer it for you. What is the link to LSC? Oh, wonderful. You'd like the link to my lounge? Thank you very much indeed. Chris, somebody wants the link to Live Streamer Cafe. Shall I give it to him? Here's the link to my lounge. There you go. This is the link to my lounge right now. There you go. When you go to my lounge, you'll just log in as a streamer or as a fan, and you verify your email. You can come in, set up your profile, and you'll be in my lounge and come and say hello. And if you tip me over there, 100% of the tip goes to me. There's PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and all the rest of it. All right? There's no commission like there is on YouTube. Anyway, the Family Squad, what is your link to LSC? I've just given you the link there. You got it? Hello, it's raining today. That's me, mate. Great. CPI news always stresses me. I know, church. I know how you work now. You get very stressed very easily. So here we go. James Owen. When will you cancel pending orders, or do you leave them to expire? I leave them to run forever. But forever is only 90 days because that's the way it works. It doesn't allow you to run forever. And the reason for that, James, is because I have made my decision on what companies I like. Unless the fundamentals change, I want to buy them when they go to all-time lows. So what I've got here is my overall portfolio. Let me share with you. This is my overall portfolio, $34,000. Let me show you in detail my actual portfolio. Here it is. All right. I am up. Well, overall, I'm down. Excuse me, down today, but 34 grand is fine. These are the companies that I own. This is my entire portfolio: VU, Space, Vorb, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coke, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco's, Next Extra Energy, Enphase, VTI, QQQ, Hood, Rocket Labs, SoFi, Tilray, and IonQ, plus my crypto at the top, but we'll talk about that crypto soon. So I want to buy when these stocks go to all-time lows. For me, when I say all-time lows, I don't mean all-time lows 10 years ago. That's impossible. I want all-time lows for me. In other words, if I bought Coke here, and I like Coke, if I liked it here, I love it here. If I can get it here, I now want to buy it here. And you get flash crashes. You get flash crashes for all kinds of different things. You get flash crashes when an earnings report comes out. We saw Amazon once drop 10% in a second and go straight back up again. And I want to buy those dips because I want that company at a discount. All right? So there you go. Ali Tisro's in the house. Me and Ali Tisro had a great conversation last night. We are just days away from bringing you the Ali Tisro tips for $1,000 to $10,000, 10x crypto portfolio. And it's going to be very, very exciting. We're going to bring it to you. It's not going to be pump and dump like all the other YouTubers. It's not going to be promoting stuff. It's going to be investing real money, our real money, in front of you live, so you can all see what we do with our real money. And the challenge is 1,000 to 10,000, and you can follow what we do and get all the back end inside information from Ali. And Ali is going to have his own Discord server. It'll be shared on my channel, as always, on my server, and you can get all the information exclusive from Ali Tisro of how we're going to do it. Thanks, Martin. Considering membership soon. We have many memberships, 5 levels. Bronze is just a couple of bucks a month. And We celebrate your birthdays. You get a 20-minute fundraiser if you choose the silver level. If you're a YouTuber, we put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Membership days, I get everyone to subscribe to you, and I do, and everyone does. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel, best way of promoting your channel, way better than doing ads and paying for bots to follow your channel and all that stuff. I follow back all your social media, exclusive content, videos and live events just for members. These are all the members only videos that are on the homepage of the YouTube channel. We have an annual day trader Martyn Lucas Investor Party. Last year we all met in England. This year we're all meeting in the US for a party over the weekend. We all get together. Exclusive there, cash giveaways, the list goes on and on and on. I'm trying to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world, live 10 hours a day, and the members all benefit from that. That's why 95% of my viewers are actually members. Right, we didn't get any discounts big enough. We need to set, and this is back to James Owen, we need to make sure that we set our discounts enough. Don't just go 1%. Get greedy. Go, right, I want Amazon 10% cheaper than my all-time low. One day it just might. And the money sits there. So when you look at my buying power and think, he's only got $300 to spend, I've got a lot more than that. I have actually got $2,569 in my buying power to spend. $2,200 is already earmarked. It's earmarked. So if something happens quickly, instantly, I buy it just like that. I don't even need to think, stress, or worry. But very important, there's two parts to my portfolio. There's the main brokerage and there's my Roth. My Roth IRA, $7,000 a year you can put in, and the gains you make if you hold for 5 years, you pay no tax on. And of course, the reason for investing is in when I retire, I'll have all this tax-free money that's grown over the next 10 years. So I want to, my first $7,000 is going into this. Now you might say, well, why isn't it maxed out? This only started on Robinhood about a month ago. So $2,000 a month comes in from my YouTube and what I earn on my gigs that I put into, that I have left over. I have no money saved anywhere else. It's all here, so you know it's real. The $2,000 will go in, and the $7,000 will fill this first, and then we'll go to the 2023 $7,000, and then the money will start going in back into the brokerage. I'll put a bit into the brokerage, but I want 99% to go into the Roth first for two reasons. One, cash, it's tax-free investing. Two, Robinhood give me 1% of free money to match it. It's like I'm employed with an employer. Fantastic. So why would I not take the 1%? So $7,000, I'm going to get, four purchased. See on the screen. There you go, 4 purchased. I just got a nice discount on Virgin Orbit. That's exactly why we set the limits. There it is. VORB purchased again. 2 VORB purchases. Fantastic. You can see it on the screen right now. There we go. There you go. VORB went down. So I didn't even have to think about it. When I got a discount on VORB, I bought it. So now what I can do, if I want to get some more Virgin Orbit, it's down right now. It acts as a reminder for me to buy more. I can look at it and go, right, Virgin Orbit, long term, this is going to go up. They've just announced they're going to fly again soon. We thought it'd be a year because of all the issues, but actually they said they're going to fly again soon. So this is good news for me. This is very, very good news for me. So, by the way, if you're on NSC, just click the live button on the YouTube channel and it will bring you up to date. So we've got a discount now. My average is 160 now. We're at 164. So we've started to go up. So I'm making money on Virgin Orbit. Brilliant. So now what I want to do is I want to set another limit order. So buy Virgin Orbit from my main brokerage account. So obviously trending down today. So go limit order. And this time I want 150. Gonna get greedy. Let's get greedy. We don't want 160. We want 150. We want 150. We want to smash the hell out of it, right? So we want to buy at 150. I've got 104. I'll buy another 100. I'll buy another 100 at 150. Because we now know That Virgin Orbit is intending to fly again very soon. So at 150, that's an all-time low for me and an all-time low for the stock. I'll buy it. Just 100, good for the day, and I'll set it to good till cancelled. And I apologise, I said 90 days. It is 90 days. It is 90 days. Yes, 90 days. And allowed to execute in the after hours when there's low volume. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Review the order. That'll cost me $150. That's fine. Let that run. All right? So, review the order, put that in, and there we go. I can now forget Virgin Orbit. I can forget all about it. And if I get 150, not 151, 150, I buy another 100 shares. So my average will keep coming down, and I can sit and relax and forget all about it. That's an exact that's a demonstration of how it works. So, okay? And that's what you want. Thanks for these great explanations. I'm curious about the mistakes you made with margins, although I need to research what they are all about. I will happily, if you become a member, because I have to focus on my members, James, it's only a couple of bucks, I will explain my margin, what happened, how I felt, how I got out of it, how I learned from it, how it benefited me. Remember, you only learn from mistakes. It wasn't even a mistake, actually. I'll explain it all in detail. If you become a member, it's only a couple of bucks. I will explain it all to you. All right, here is the invitation to join. And let me get back to the comments. I have to focus on my members. That's why they are members. All right, okay. Okay, so carrying on, I am watching Ed Nevius. Thank you so much, Ed Nevius. Had to take an important phone call. What have I missed apart from being a crap dad? well, that's all you need to worry about, to be honest. Oh, to the moon, 30% return, MMV up. This was a top tip from Ed Nevius. It was shared in Ed Nevius's tips this morning. If you are a YouTube member, you would have made some money this morning. You could have made 30% this morning. You could be a YouTube member for a couple of bucks and you would have got Ed Nevius's tips for free. And there you go. I can't take advantage of them. Thank you, Leah, for the coffee. I can't take advantage of these very often because I'm too busy entertaining you. They are there for your benefit. I would do it if I had the chance, but I don't have the time, unfortunately. Virgin Orbit will go to $1. It's why I'm only buying 100 shares. So I'm in if it goes up, and I'm down, and I get cheaper if it goes down. Let's go, Ed Nevius. Oh my God, there you go. Ed Nevius's great tip this morning being celebrated on the channel. Is AVAX a good crypto to trade? I'm not the person to answer that. The person to answer that is Ali Tisro. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Absolutely. Do not now buy it. Now it's pumped. You've missed it more than likely. You've missed that 30% tip. That tip was out. That tip was out this morning, hours ago. You had the opportunity, but you know, it was given to you 2 hours ago. That's when you need to grab it. Never ever chase a pump. It's the worst thing you could ever do. Ali Tisro. Is Ali Tisro in the house? If you do the @ sign, like I'm doing now, you can see if Ali Tisro is in the house. Many of our viewers, they will watch us 10 hours a day, all day, every day. They might have other things to do in their lives, and they have us on mute, and they let it run in the background. So Ali Tisro isn't responding, but he's watching us. He's just maybe working or doing something else. I've signed up on Live Streamer Cafe. Family Squad, thank you very much indeed. Come on into my lounge then. Come on into my lounge and we'll celebrate. And you can see all the fun and games on here. All our live streamers, you can tip me with no commission whatsoever. It goes directly onto my Venmo, PayPal, buy a coffee, GPay, whatever. But it's not about the money for me. It's about building a community for all these people who can stream now in a way they could never do before. So thank you for supporting us. We've got a big event coming up in a few weeks. It has the support on the chart, Ali. Oh, it is Ali Tisro. Here he is. Edits. Any coin's a good trade. It's about key levels. Martin, Dollar General, cheap again. Dollar General, yes, Dollar General is a good buy right now for the future. Time to short Vorb. Oh, I love the shorters. Here come the shorters. Drasmodia. Go ahead and short the hell out of it. Drive it down. I love the shorters. Remember, we talk about shorters all the time. Shorters win the battles. They always lose the war. Drive it down to $1. I'll buy it at $1. Thank you very much indeed. Accumulate cash and wait. As I mentioned many times on this channel, all you have to do is watch the S&P 500 to go around 3,200 to 3,400. This will be the bottom. And 150 says Church is the bottom for Vorb. Very nice indeed. This will be the bottom. So let's look at my portfolio right now, and let's go over to what 22 is talking about. The S&P, not VU. VU is S&P, of course, but the actual thing itself. So let's go over to SPY, and what he's talking about is we want to see it go down to what did he say? 3.2 to 3.4. That's the bottom. So we haven't bottomed yet, according to 22. Remember, no one knows. It's only everyone's opinions and thoughts and ideas. No one actually knows. Okay, it's all at the very best an educated guess upon experiences. I'm on inversion on S&P. Flutter edits inverse $15. Ali, let's go back to our heat map. I'll share with you my overall portfolio. I am down today 0.89. I've still got buying power. I've still got more money reserved. Very happy with that. Nothing else went all-time lows for me. Nothing got super cheap. And I want super cheap. I want super cheap. And I think I'm going to use this. And in fact, this is what I want to talk about with our new guest today. If he becomes a member, I'll explain this with value and margin. But he needs to become a member for that. Let's scroll down here a minute. Let me show you the heat map where the gains are coming from now. The inflation came down. The core inflation rate year on year fell to 5.7. Inflation is still up, but cooling. Here is the heat map. Apple is now down. Tesla. Now we want to get Tesla 3.36. We might get a bargain on Tesla today if we go back to our main position. Let's have a look. That's a good indication of what's moving. Tesla. We are trying to buy some more. We've got several buys here. We've got on my main brokerage account, we've got a share at 110. I want to buy it all-time low for me. You got to be greedy. You got to expect excellence. We always talk about it on the show. Don't get excited because something drops 0.5%. When you first start, yes, you buy everything, you set your positions up, and now you try and improve your positions. All the time, improve your positions. And if something goes down 1%, it's not enough. You want 5 to 10% drops to get discounts. You wouldn't go into a shop, would you? And they say, these pair of jeans are down today 1%. Do you want them? You go, what? No, I want 50% off. That's a discount, all right? And the stock can fall. And I learned this lesson to my cost. A stock is here. And when we talk about it going down 50%, we don't mean 50% from what it was on day one to where it is now. We talk about in a day, it goes down 50%. But many stocks that started 100 years ago, they're up thousands of percent. For example, Apple was a penny stock once upon a time. Thousands of percent. So, and remember, they split the stock. So it may have been split many, many times. So now one share is worth 1,000 of what it was years ago. So if something goes down 10% in a day, it might only be down 0.01% over a lifetime. Absolutely nothing at all. So remember that, and I've learned that, and it's very easy when people first come in the market. They've only been trading for 5 minutes, and they think, oh, Tesla's down 10%. In reality, it's down 0.000001 because it's been split several times, okay? And from where it started and where it's today is nothing. So very important point to remember. Real discounts are not 1%, 2%, 5%. A stock could do 50% down and then 50% down the next day and 50% down the next day and 50% down the next day. That's a crash. And that can happen. Thanks. I will become a member. Here's the invitation to join. look forward to welcoming you in and giving you all the gifts you get as a member. And I can't wait. I love it. What's your view about today's consumer data? I'm very happy, English trader. I'm from Cornwall, by the way. Are you from England? I'm from Cornwall. I'm actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. I'm here in Dallas, Texas. Even though I'm from Cornwall, England. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in and welcome all our guests in today? And then we'll find out where they're all from. Right, time to go to a commercial break. Here is the heat map, and I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. And it really will be 10 seconds, because I'm very nice like that. I don't know why I'm nice sometimes. I shouldn't be nice. I should take a 10-minute break and go and sit down and watch the telly and let you just sit and watch this for 10 minutes. But I don't do that. That wouldn't be nice, would it? Right, did I give everyone the link? I gave everyone the link. Let me end that poll now. 46% have it. Half of you don't want it. I think that's so funny that half of you don't even want my newsletter. Why is that? Why is it half of you go, I don't bloody want your bloody email? You watch the show every day, but I don't want your bloody email. Why is that? Why is that? Anyway, never understood that. Okay, here we go. Commercial break. Back in 10 seconds. And when I come back, I'll tell you why the market is red, Alex. And it's exactly what we wanted as well. So you can have this space. If you are a YouTube member and you are a sponsor level, you can have this space. You can be here 20 platforms a day, 10 hours a day in all these spaces. You can be a member. All right? A YouTube member, you can have your commercial in that break. All right? Anyway. Fantastic. I just realized that was terrible. I didn't run a commercial break because I was behind. Damn it. I messed that up. Too late now. Can't do much about it. I was right. Why is the market red? Market is red is simple. The CPI rate, the consumer price index, came down today, 5.7. Great. Brilliant, you might say. Remember, inflation is still up. The Fed want 2%. But right now, inflation is still way above 2%. So prices are still rising. It's still bad. It's still doom and gloom. Boo, 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 boo. But why did I just say that? That was weird. Boo, 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 boo. Anyway, you know what I mean. It was 6% last month. It's now down 5.7. Great. It's moving in the right direction. If we'd have exceeded expectations, because we were expecting 5.7, we thought the CPI would come down. It was already priced in. The markets rallied yesterday, so we're not celebrating. There's nothing to celebrate. It's just what we expected. So the market's pumped. Now they're selling. People have bought. People are taking profits, which is great. They sell. You buy cheaper. You make a profit. That's what happens. The markets, that's how it works. If we'd have exceeded expectations and it had gone down below 5.7, we would have not priced that in and the markets would have pumped and gone up. However, they've sold off. But they've sold off by a little bit, not hardly at all, because it wasn't bad news and it wasn't great news. It was just, okay, we'd already priced it in, perfectly happy. We pumped it up, we've sold. Now the markets go down because we've sold. Remember, the only reason markets go up is when everyone buys. The only reason why they go down is because everyone sells. Very, very simple. In reality, a 10% drop in a day is 99% of the time a blip in the lifetime. Exactly. The sun, Milky Way, sun and the Milky Way. I'm from India. I trade FNO. Welcome to you from India. I've got lots of fans of my music from India. If you'd like to check out my music channel, lots of my Indian friends love my music channel. Here is my music channel. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. And if you're interested, I brought out a premiere a couple of days ago of me singing some U2 songs, full production, full like pop videos. And here they are. There's a little playlist there for you. And here is the Sound of Silence one that came out 2 days ago as well. There'll be another premiere this evening. If you join me for the closing bell, there will be a world premiere tonight. So go and check it out. That's what they look like. There is my U2 that premieres. See that? Look, there's a little clip, how it looks. You like it? There's the other one. That's a little taster for you. Come on, play, you bugger. Why don't you play? It's broken. My own channel's broken. Why wouldn't that play? Oh, well, that one plays. Anyway, whatever. Gives you an idea, okay? All right. Now then, Florida. Everyone's putting their countries in. Cambodia, Mr. Clockwork. You're not from Cambodia. Chernobyl. Stop it. Give your real places. We don't have that on this show. What's going on? You need to give away more cash, dude. The Church of Logic. How is it there? I was thinking to move there. Do you think there's a 20 platform? I didn't know that. Yes, we have. We have, Bill. TikTok. I got 3 TikTok channels. YouTube. I have 3 YouTube channels. Facebook. I have pages, profiles, and groups. My website. LinkedIn. Twitch. Twitter. I have 2 channels. I said Twitch, didn't I? Stockwits is a link, but not a live view. So it's 20 all collected, and live stream a cafe, of course. So yes, it is. Oxford, UK, Mr. Clockwork. Things are Russians here, and of course, if we get the war end, the markets are going to ramp up as well. Queen of Logic lives in Peru. I'll give you that one. That's good. Queen of Logic, I'll give you that one. I'm going to start the Bell for $500 today, and balance is $13,000. I'm just going to start Bell for $500, and today my balance is $13,000. $137,000 says Project Freedom. We can't verify what Project Freedom says. He's not a member of our channel. Members we can verify. So when people make statements, as I say, I can't verify non-members. Has CPR already been released, and how was it, Max H? Yes, it was released hours ago. 5.7, and it's great. It's exactly as expected, so we're all happy. There we go. And Snapchat. No, I'm not on Snapchat. I am on Instagram. Snapchat's rubbish. Let me scroll to the bottom. Oh, that cough again. No! Get out. It's a Clockwork. You're annoying me now. There's no cough in here today. Hardly at all. Hey, Ali, I should put a limit on order. There we go. We're having a conversation there for our crypto team. Okay. Back to our portfolio. Play your bugger. I'm just not sure if it'll go to that again to flood edits. I'm the only one that can be subscriber to your OnlyFans. I'm the only one then that subscribes to her OnlyFans. There's no OnlyFans here. I'm not on OnlyFans. There's no day trading in the nude. All right. Brilliant. Okay. Here's the main. Right. We've got now 47 likes, 46 watching. Very, very nice indeed. Every day we're growing. Shall we check to see our subscribers? How have we moved today and what's being searched? 6,048. We haven't moved in the last half an hour. Okay, fair enough then. And here is what's been searched. 207 through the show. And what's been searched most is CPI. CPI, Tilray Brands. Tilray Brands and CPI is being searched most. There we go. Jason Owen has just become a member. Would everybody please welcome, I want a viral chat, please. I want a viral chat. Welcome James. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Let's welcome James into the family. Thank you very much indeed. And now let's give him all his perk. What does he get? Nothing. It was a scam. We just robbed him of his money. No. I shouldn't even say those things for jokes because someone's gonna use that. Anyway, here we go. Anyway, note to self: don't do it again. Welcome, James. All right. Cheers. Thank you very much indeed. You are a member. Congratulations. No, I say congratulations because it really is for your benefit. You're giving me a couple of bucks a month to keep this channel live. If I wanted to make money, I'd make videos. I'd make videos, but I'd make more videos and I wouldn't be live 10 hours a day. I don't make any money from live videos. The money I make is from videos. It's the support from the members that keeps the live going. So now, James, as a member, you get many perks. I'll give them to you right now. First of all, you get a badge which will go from blue to green to yellow to gold to red. After you've been a member for a year, you'll turn gold. You can now ask me to do a poll, and I will do. You can ask me to do a poll, ask a question, and I will do a poll on your behalf. You can now ask me to review a stock. I will go into review a stock. I'll even make a video on it sometimes. I might even buy the shares of it. Not to promote it and pump and dump it. Hey, I'm up 4% now on Virgin Orbit. I bought that dip. Woohoo! Yes, get in. Oh, look at that. That's why you do stop orders. That's why you do limit orders. I'm up 4% now on Virgin Orbit. Very nice. Small position, not much, doesn't matter. Okay. You also can have for you, James, you can have a birthday celebrated live in the show for you or a family member the day before, the day of, the day after. Live in the show, say, hey, it's my birthday today. It's my wife's birthday. And I'll go to the piano live in the show behind me in the Martyn Lucas Music Studio and sing you happy birthday. You will own the copyright to that video. You can share it on social media and you will have that gift to your family or your whoever for your birthday. If you ever go silver, I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, follow your social media, and you get a 20-minute fundraiser as well. So there's some major perks there for you. On top of that, there is exclusive content. Now, as a member, you can see behind the scenes. You can come to our conventions. We have one every year. We met in Cornwall last year in England. You can see all the member-only videos. Only members can see these videos of what goes behind the scenes and so on. We also have members-only live chats, members-only videos, members-only live streams. Also, you can get access to Discord now. And you get Ed Nevius' tips. And Ed Nevius made a lot of people 30% this morning on his tips. He provides that for free. Charts, analytics, the lot for free as a YouTube member. That is on Discord. So I'm going to give you now the Discord link. And live on the show, and only live on the show, I upgrade you to a YouTube member. And we only do it on the show so we know that we are not upgrading bots and scammers and people like that. So we don't do it automatically. We do it live on the show. So there is the Discord. I will give you the Discord link again. There it is. Here is the Discord channel. When you come into Discord, I will welcome you in here. If you come into the welcome all, normally what happens is Shad will welcome you in. He's great at that. We'll welcome you in here and we'll upgrade your account live on the show. It takes 10 minutes to go to get through our security because we have the highest level of security. And one warning on Discord. I ban the scammers all the time. But of course, when you're on Discord, someone can find you and message you personally outside of my server. And I have over 100 people on TikTok and Discord who pretend to be me. None of them are me. And you know they're not me for two reasons. One, they do not have the role of owner of this channel. And two, they do not, I do not message you. Okay? CNB Studio, upgrades need to be done during a live show on YouTube, so Martin or me can upgrade you. There we go. CNB Studio is in Discord now, and he can also upgrade you as well. And Tom, change there. Another little thing you can do for me, Tom, is once we confirm it's the real person, like James Owen, we give them a nickname as well, James Owen. So we have, oh, there we go. I think we see James Owen. James Owen, is that you? In YouTube, confirm this is you. In YouTube, confirm this is you. James Owen, I need you to do it on YouTube. Confirm this is you. And then Tom, if you can go and do it for me then. Yes, it's me. Or in fact, I'll do it myself. I'm right here. Right, I'm going to give you a nickname. I'm going to change your nickname to James Owen with a gap. And just so everyone knows who you are. All right, James Owen, there you go. You now have a nickname, the same as it is on YouTube. We do this for honesty and integrity so people don't get confused. And I can also upgrade you now and you can get Ed Nevis' tips. So here we go. Scroll down here and roll member. You are now a member of the channel. You can now see the broadcast lounge. You can call in. You can see all Ed Nevish's tips, Ali Tisro's tips, Moose's tips, all the exclusive content. If you ever become a silver member, you can have your very own channel as well. And as I grow, you grow. We all make money, we all grow, we all build our social media. I work for you now to help you grow on your social media. That's my job. That's what you pay me to do. That's what your membership pays me to do, is promote you and grow your social media and help you be successful. Okay? That's what we do. Right. If you call into the broadcast lounge here, you can be live on the show and you can actually be in the show with everybody else. You can call in. All right. And let me show you exactly what I mean by that. This is what happens when you call into the show. You can actually have your, whoops-a-daisy. You can actually call in, and I'll give you an example of a few of our investors who are members have called in. You can call in like this.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
So when people call in, I can record them. They can be on the show.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England and he's a lot of fun.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter, we just get straight to it.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNB Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Hi, I'm the Queen of Soft Trading. I'd like to welcome new members. And if you know you're a YouTuber, come to the Day Trader show to make your YouTube channel grow. I came to the channel when I had under 100 subscribers, and at the moment I'm going towards 400. So you're in the right place. Keep watching and supporting the channel.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Here on Martyn Lucas Day Trading. Great show. Great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going. Keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being...
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, And he obliged and made a 30.
There you go. There's a few of our members. Now, as a member, you can call in. You can actually be on the show like that and, you know, be part of it, be part of our story here. This is a great day. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very happy with slow, steady growth. I bought some dips. I bought one dip this morning. I insisted on much greater drops, and they didn't come, so that's good. The market didn't go down, but if it had done, I was there to catch it. So I've still got plenty of money on hand in cash in case of a flash crash at any point. I'm going to add a minimum of $2,000 a month. I've got another $1,100 coming next week to keep coming in. So build up my cash reserves for crashes. We will get them, but the overall market is doing very well. I'm very happy. This is great. I have no margin whatsoever. Oh, that reminds me. Now we have James Owen. Is James Owen still here? He asked me a question, and I said I would answer it if you became a member. James Owen, are you still in the house? If you are, just confirm. And I wanted to answer your question about margin. Yes, he's here now. Happy to do that. You remember. So if you actually go to my YouTube channel, you can look at all the different playlists and you can see all the different things we talk about. And the margin video, when I got margin called live on the show, is there. We've got all these different playlists, and you can go there and you can see literally when my family here brought me to tears. I think it's in special moments. These are all the playlists. There's special moments, and I will answer your question now, but there it is, special moments. Let me have a look at it. I think it's in special moments. I was brought to tears by my members. This is when I got some massive super chats. Here it is. I'll just share with you this brief moment. There you go. This was a very emotional moment for me in the show. Let me share this with you, and Oh, we got a super chat from Muzanella. Unbelievable. and I will share with you my margin call moment. This was real. This happened on my show. Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate that. That's huge. Thank you very, 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 very much for your support. Don't know if anybody realised. Sign below in here. What? I'll just show you. This is how it felt to get margin called. Everybody is struggling. Everybody is losing money, and everyone is supporting each other. You guys, I've been there for you now for over a year. This is what it feels like to get margin called. Excuse me. It's been nearly a year we've been here. 10 hours a day. Anyway, that was the day I got margin call. So I'm going to answer your question now, what it feels like. That happened live on the show, and it was a very emotional day. The super chats exploded. Everyone was tipping me and supporting me, and I need to go get margin called again because I made more money that day than I've ever made. It was brilliant. That day was horrible. It was. So basically, this is the situation. Let me explain it now to you as we keep our eye on the stocks. Where are we right now? 47 watching. 46. Let me just check my numbers a minute. 212. Okay. Let me bring everybody up to date. Okay, I'll do this now. So basically, margin is an amount of money that your brokerage will let you borrow from them to buy assets, crypto, stocks, options, whatever. The amount you can borrow is determined by how much money you have in your portfolio. If you have $1 million, you'll have $1 million of margin, basically. You can double what you have. And essentially, you're using the brokerage's money to buy stocks with or assets with, okay? Now, it can accelerate your growth, but it can also accelerate your losses. Because remember, if you borrow, if I had at one point $50,000 of margin, I was borrowing 50 grand. So my portfolio had 50 grand of my own money and 50 grand of the margin. So I had 100 grand in the stocks. It only ever showed 50 grand on my balance because that's what I have. You don't have their money. You're using their money to buy stocks. What you have is the borrowed money. You have what it goes up by and you lose what it goes down by. You don't ever have the 50 grand. Let's say if you borrow 50 grand added to this. So say I've got 34,000 now. I don't have another 34. I don't go up to 70,000 in my portfolio. I'm just using margin. If I borrow their money and it goes up and I make $10,000 today, then that is what shows on my portfolio. And if I lose 10,000, that's what shows on my portfolio. But remember, when you borrow money on margin, you have to pay it back. You've borrowed the money from them and you have to pay it back at the amount you borrowed at. If you buy, if they give you $10,000 and you spend $10,000 on Tesla and Tesla goes up to 15 grand and you sell, you pay 10 grand back to them, you still owe 10 grand, nothing changes, and you got 5 grand. Whoopee, brilliant. You made $5,000 in 5 minutes for free. Didn't cost you anything at all. Because if you do it in a day, it won't cost you anything. You have no interest in the first day. None. So you make money. Free money. Yippee. Everyone's a winner. But let's say you buy Tesla for $10,000 with borrowed money. Your money's separate. You're talking about margin now. Spend 10 grand of margin on Tesla, 10 grand, and it goes to 5 grand. You're now down 5 grand. You might not have been down 5 grand today because you only had $100 of margin, $100 of Tesla. You've now got 10 grand of Tesla. You borrow 10 grand, you've got 10 grand. It goes down to 5. You're down 5 grand now, so your gains are amplified, your losses are amplified. So you're down to 5 grand now. You still owe 10 grand. So now you go, oh shit, I owe 10 grand and I'm only worth 5. Now, if it goes back up again, doesn't matter. Things go up, things go down, not a problem. So you remember the 10 grand you owe is getting charged interest. Now, when we a year and a half ago, margin on Robinhood was 0.1%, 1%. It was virtually free money. You still owed the money. You still got to pay it back. If it goes down, you're in trouble. However, it didn't need to make much money because you're only being charged 1%. Now it's 7.5%. It's going up to 8 soon. So you have to make 8% just to cover your interest. That's 8% APR over the year. You can make 8% in a day on a stock. So don't be put off by that. That's 8% in a year. Well, if you could buy the S&P and get 15% in a year, on a good year, of course. So it doesn't matter. It sounds all right, fair enough. I'll do it. I'll buy margin. Really great, brilliant. Off I go. But what's called a margin call? Basically, a margin call is the brokerage say, all right, you've spent $10,000 on Tesla. Every stock comes with a different risk. Some stocks are 100% maintenance line, the margin limit. Some are 25%. They have different risks. So something like Apple is the lowest you can have, 25%. So and that when you buy it, it will tell you. It will say you've got 10,000. Your margin call is here. It tells you if it drops below this position, you get a margin call. Now, what does a margin call mean? When you first get margin called, like when you first buy Bitcoin and it goes down 5 pence, you feel like you've lost everything. You haven't. It's experience. It takes a while to learn. It takes a while. You saw what happened to me. I cried. I got upset. I got emotional. Oh, my God. It's terrible. The reality is it's not a terrible thing. I'm not encouraging you to do it. I'm not encouraging you not to do it. But what I am doing is explaining how it actually works and how it feels. And how it feels is more important than anything. Because how you feel is how you trade and how you invest. That's the most important thing, right? So what happened is this. On that day, I got margin called. My shares were going down and down, and I had to pay back, and stocks were losing money. I had two options: bring money in from the outside to raise my portfolio balance up so I can carry on. If it keeps on going down, I might have to add some more money. Going down, add some more money. Not a problem if you can keep bringing money in, because eventually things will hit the bottom unless a stock goes bankrupt. And let's say I had $10,000 of Tesla and Tesla goes bankrupt, zero, I still owe 10 grand. Now I'm in trouble. That's serious. That isn't likely to happen to me because I spend 90% of my money on stocks that are guaranteed. There's no such thing as guaranteed, but 90% chance that my stocks will never go bankrupt. 50% of my portfolio is the S&P 500. That can't go bankrupt. It's an ETF, right? So that's fine. So the margin call kicks in and says, right, when you get margin called, it doesn't mean sell, 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 you're going bankrupt, someone's going to come around your house. You go below the margin maintenance line by $1. You've only got to put $1 in or sell something for $1 to bring it back above that line. And then tomorrow it pumps up again and it's fine. All you got to do is stay above the margin maintenance line. That's all. But so that's all great, right? Margin's great, easy, simple. However, what margin does, when I got margin called, it scared me, upset me. I cried on the show. People gave me super chats. That was all history. You saw that. What happens then is I got out of it, rebalanced, I sold everything, even for losses. I just said, sod it. I don't want it. Cleared it all, started again. I've recovered. Remember, my portfolio started at 5 grand. I'm still up to 34. I'm, not the end of the world. Started again. And then a few months later, I slowly got back into margin. And I was happy with that. And I still am. But I thought we'd reach bottom. And maybe we had. And maybe we have. Because since this year has begun, my portfolio, since I sold my margin, we've been up. Year to date, I'm up. Since I sold my margin again, for losses, again, and I wasn't margin called, I did it out of my own choice. I wasn't margin called this time. I decided to sell at losses. I decided because I didn't like the way it felt. I don't like owing any money. I would rather have $100 in my pocket and it's mine. I feel a millionaire because I have $100. As opposed to having $1,000 of my own and $1,000 of borrowed money. I would rather own what I have, and this is what I have. So now I have $34,000. If it goes down to zero, well, it won't go to zero. It's impossible, right? If it goes down to $1, I buy more. It comes back up again, right? If it goes up, it goes up. I've got no stress. I've got no fear. And I did this when I got COVID. When I got COVID, I got ill. I thought, bloody hell, if I get ill and die, my wife will come in here and she won't have a clue what's going on. She won't have a clue about this. My life, my happiness, my health is worth 1,000,000 times the $34,000. Remember, I have a wonderful life. I've got no debt. I'm perfectly fine. All I'm trying to do is make that 34,000, 200,000 within the next 5 to 10 years. I think I'll do it in the next 2 years, actually, but the next 5 to 10 years to give me a pension so I can live old until I die. That's it. That's it. I don't need $1 million. I just need enough to live and pay my bills. You don't take it with you. I'm not leaving any money to anybody, so sorry, folks, you're not getting any of my money. And all I want to do is make a few quid and live. So I thought, sod it. As it happens, if I'd kept my margin, I would have been up double this amount now. I wouldn't be up 1.5 grand. I'd be up 3 grand now because I doubled my portfolio. Right? I'd be up double. But I would still owe that money. And what it does, it makes me feel like, well, when do I sell it? When do I sell it? I've got all this money. When do I sell it? And at some point, you've got to sell it. And you've got to pay back the margin. And I thought, do you know what? I don't need the stress. If I get ill and die with bloody COVID, my wife doesn't know what's going on. Chaos will reign. And I thought, sod it. And someone came on my show, said to me, Mohammed McKine, said I was lying. He went, oh, you got margin called. They made you sell your shares. No, they didn't. I sold at a loss of my own free will. And as it turned out, look, I would have never been margin called. I would be up now another $1.5 grand. I chose to not be margin called. I chose not to be in margin. I decided I've had enough. I don't need to borrow money. I make money from money. I do a gig on a Saturday night. I earn $550. I earn money on YouTube. I bring it in. I put it in here. My stocks go up, my dividends, I earn money. I make interest on my uninvested cash. I get 1% on Robinhood for matching my Roth. I am happy. I'm happy, healthy, no stress. I'm growing my portfolio slowly and steadily. As long as it reaches my 200 grand target, I am done. I am happy. I can live. I can have a car, a nice house, and live without any stress. So I don't give a damn if I don't own Tesla today and it goes up and leaves me behind. I couldn't care less. I'm making money. I'm up. Tesla right now, look, I'm up a grand total of $38. $38. That's all I got right now. 38. At one point, I was $2,800 up on Tesla. It went all the way back down. I never sold it. Should have sold it. And that's my final point about margin. You lose what is the value of the stock. With margin, you lose perspective. And let me explain. Let me say I have a can of Coke here. And this can of Coke is $1 in every supermarket across America. You know the value of that Coke. You know how much it refreshes you. You know how much it refreshes you, how much it's worth to you. It's worth $1. And today we say that this can of Coke, think of it as a stock. It's half price. It's 50 cents today. You can buy it for 50 cents. Good value? Yes, it's a good investment. You buy it because you know you're going to use it. You know it's valuable. It's normally twice the price. You buy it. Think of it as a stock. However, someone says to you, would you pay $100 for this can of Coke? Because you're going to be really thirsty one day. You're going to love this can of Coke. Would you pay 100 times its value? Well, that's exactly what we did do with Tesla. Ridiculous. And what we're talking about now is the PE ratio, the price to earnings. It's now at 36 times earnings. Much better. It's still priced at 36 times what it earns. Very expensive. So still now Tesla is expensive, but it's backward numbers. They're moving. They can grow into the price. Fair enough. But at one point, it was nearly 100 times earnings when it was $1,000 a share and we all just sat there and no one sold it. It's going to go to $1 million. And YouTubers would come online and say, it's going to go to $1 million. Hold your Tesla. What are you doing? And we didn't sell it. That was like a can of Coke for $100. Who the bloody hell would buy it for that? But we did. And we didn't sell it. And that is what margin does. Margin changes your perspective of how much money you really have, how much potential you really have, and you get carried away and you think you're a multi-gazillionaire and you're buying stocks at $1,000 and you've got a $100,000 portfolio, which is what I had, by the way. $100,000. Insane. I only started with $5 grand. I've now got $100,000. I'm richer than Warren Buffett. Look at me. Just joking, by the way. So having margin for me gave me stress. And I don't need it. I don't need the stress or the hassle. Because the other thing is, when you have margin, you can't stock lend. You can't earn any money from stock lending. because you're using margin. I've got some of my stocks on loan right now. They're earning me money, lending them out. Also, I earn money on my uninvested cash. Free money. Robinhood pay me money on my uninvested cash. 4% actually. It's higher than any bank account they're ever going to give you. And I've got 2.5 grand sitting uninvested cash right now earning me interest because I have no margin. So that's how I see it. Margin is not your enemy. It is not against you. It is not the big, evil, scary monster. If you can live with it and you're happy with it, and you buy at the right time and sell at the right time, focus on the value of stocks, not the hopery and the dream of nonsense and the silliness we read on Reddit and Twitch and Twitter and YouTubers. That's why I built this channel, to be real and honest. Then margin can be great for you. If on the other hand, it warps your point of view and it stresses you and makes you feel anxiety and fear and worry, you will get used to it. The second time around was much easier than the first time around, but now I think, sod it. I don't need it. So I hope that explains for you. James, I said I would explain margin and everything else if you became a member. So I think that's pretty concise. And there you go. You got that for $2. All right, so there we go. What's everybody think about that? Let's read some of the comments. Been there, done that. MMV up 45%. Top tip today from Ed Nevius has made everybody a lot of money today. Didn't make me any money. It's not about me, it's about you. It's not about me, it's about you. This whole show is about you. Okay? So there we go. I can't always take these benefits because I'm busy presenting the show. Good advice, Martin. Only use your money willing to lose. My number one rule, never use margin. Turn off margin. I tried to tell you guys to sell a long time ago. Says Church. I'm reading the comments out now. We'll read the rest. Good read on the last blog. I'm still working on that strategy and realize you make a lot more frequent trades of buy low and sell high and retain and grow. Martin, how are you building it? Buy and hold and invest dividends, or buy low and sell high so you don't hold because of increased value? I have several strategies. Sometimes I scalp trade. Sometimes I day trade. I've been doing it the last few days. But what I don't do is chase the stock when it goes up. This morning I bought, you saw me. I set a stop limit order. I set a buy order for Virgin Orbit, 100 shares when it went down this morning. I bought some more this morning. In fact, I've just realized I've got 2 buy orders here. I've got 50 shares at 150 and 100 shares at 150. Oh, I got 2 there. I don't need both of those. I could release this 51 here. Cancel that order. I don't need 2. Cancel that order. And what you'll see now, as I click cancel order, if you look at my buying power, that will go up. I'm going to click it now and cancel that order. You watch it now. 162 will go up in real terms, real time. Watch it. There you go. It's gone up to 237. I don't need 2 buying orders there. That's a bit pointless. But there you go. So there you go. So I've got lots of different strategies, the right strategy for the day. Thanks, Martin. That was a great explanation. You're very welcome. I started with $500, have made 10,000 on drones and credit cards. I'm almost up 5 grand again. I let it go to 5.5 to keep 500 to continue playing. That's what I needed you to talk about. Fantastic speech, pal. Thank you very much. Should I put that out as a video? What was that? 2 hours 15, wasn't it? It went out. 2 hours 15. Martin's speech. 2 hours. This is it, you see. I don't make that many videos. It's all about just being live with you guys. It's what's best for you ultimately will be best for me. Don't forget, if you get margin called and don't do anything about it, the brokerage can liquidate your assets on their own. So they can recoup the money from the securities. That's right. If you don't follow your trades, if you don't, I mean, no one's more active than me, right? I'm live 10 hours a day staring at my account. If you're not doing that and you don't watch it and you get margin called, right? They will sell your stocks beneath you and they don't care. They'll just sell them. You know, you'll come back one day, we've got nothing. And if you're selling at losses, eventually you'll have nothing left. So you have to be aware of that. I trade on eTORO for day trading and CMC markets for my margin. Yes, says Anthony Mallion, would make a great video. Okay, I should put the video out. Hopefully you'll all watch it. You're going, we're not watching it now. We've just seen it. We've just seen it for free. We're not going to watch your YouTube video. No. Bill, margin is in your settings. Correct. It is in your settings. Right. Time to run a quick commercial break. We never quite got to 100 likes, so we can't do a cash giveaway. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let me check. We've got day trader of the day in a few minutes. Let me check on live stream at Cafe. I've still got Chris watching me over on LSC. Thank you, my friend. There he is, watching me on live stream at Cafe. And thanks for that, Chris. Let's bring everybody up to date. So let's run a quick commercial break right now. Here we go. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, you can sponsor this space. If you are a YouTube member at a sponsorship level, you can be in this space and you can sponsor it. And I will include your commercial here. Very, very good, right? Very, very good. You like that? Over 20 platforms a day, 10 hours a day for $99 a month. The best commercial, best value in the history of the world. No one online or anywhere would offer you that amount of coverage for that cheap price. And you can always do it for 1 month, downgrade again to bronze level or whatever you want. Okay, let's have a look. Read these questions. I have finished my blog series. Can we promote it and ask the family to read and put some comments? Ali Tisro, you were talking about sponsoring the newsletter. If you did that, then of course we'll put it in the newsletter. Do you want to do that? Queen of Self Braiding has booked this Sunday. Queen, if you are listening, I haven't received your copy yet. So Queen, you have until Saturday 1 p.m. Central. If I don't get it, you will lose it. So if Ali Tisro, if you wanted to do that, I would put that into the newsletter. Ali Tisro, link says server not found, mate. I watched it every day religiously, but went to the pub for Christmas party. Woke up 10,000 down. Massive headache that day. There you go. There you go. I watched. That's why you set stop losses. Why you set limits. The video is playing picture in picture. Alex, who are you talking to? The video is playing picture in picture. Click live under the video. You're obviously behind the stream. You're watching something else. Click live under the video. I am here. I am here as I should be. Just click live. I know you can just click. He doesn't know because he's behind the stream. I've got to type it out. Click live under the video. All right, video. He's obviously behind the stream. Turn grey to red. Obviously, he can see that, but he can't hear what I'm saying because he's watching behind. And that's what happened. I watched it every day religiously, but went to the pub for Christmas party, woke up 10 grand down, massive headache that day. There you go. What's wrong with your screen, Alex? I've answered the question. Hopefully that will work. You didn't mention that when you're doing margin buy-in. You need to have your sells below your buys at least 15%. You can set your margin, you can set your buys wherever you can set your buys and sells wherever you want. You need to have your sells below your buys by at least 15%. It can be whatever number you want. There's no specific. Also, you might not get the option to even use margin if you don't hold big enough balance on or make enough trades. Correct. If you don't have $20,000, $25,000, you don't even have margin anyway. Not on Robinhood. Everyone's different. I haven't been day trading much, and my margin went from 150 grand intraday to 37,000. Not sure why. It's all to do with your balance and your risk and so on and so forth. How it's calculated, it can be adjusted at any point by your brokerage. It depends if suddenly a stock that you hold has an increased risk, and that will drive your margin allowance down. Can you show the website, Martyn? I think I've already put the money from the Twitch giveaway. Let me have a look. Can you show the website, Martyn? I think I have already put the money from the Twitch giveaway to the newsletter, so we can do that. Yes, you did. Correct. You have done it already. It would be nice to show it live now. Yes, you have done it. Read and commented, mate. Okay. Andrew Grady, thank you. Okay, I will do this because you are a gold member. So I'm going to share this link for Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro, this will be featured in upcoming newsletter. Yes, Ali, I'm waiting for your copy so I can do it. And you're right, you have already reserved the space. So let me write that down now. Newsletter Queen, then Ali. I don't have any copies, so I can't do it yet, and it needs to meet the deadline. So I'm going to share this link that Ali has sent. He is a gold member of our channel. These are one of the perks that he gets. So here is Ali's blog. I'm going to promote this now for Ali. So here is the blog, Water and Sanitation, a story of fundamental right. I absolutely agree. This is Ali's blog. Now, if you wouldn't mind taking a look at this, and what Ali's looking for is you to read it and leave a comment. He's trying to promote his blog. So please, if you could, read it here and post a comment. And obviously share it as well, which would be very nice. Ali would appreciate that. There you go. Ali is trying to help people in the third world with sanitation in Africa, and getting clean water and sanitation. A wonderful, wonderful cause. Absolutely fantastic. So please do go and check that out. Support it and leave a comment. All right. I started with £500 and now I have 250, is that 1,000 shares or 250 shares? Anthony Mallion. You need to, to be good at it. You need to know algorithm to be good at it. Wow, Anthony, that's awesome. Yes, Anthony, I'd love to know what those stupid candles mean, Bootsy. Well, I don't talk about the candles and stuff. I understand it. I understand charts more than most people realize actually here, but it doesn't interest me. That's why we have Ali Tisro, does technical analysis on candles and full technical charts. And we also have Ed Nevius and we have Muzanella who do all those things. And that's all in the Discord. Okay, if anybody's a YouTube member and has not had their account upgraded, James Owen, so can I be upgraded now? Did we do that earlier? Just noticed James Owen. Yes, I've done him. Just went over to Discord and checked if we've got anybody else. Welcome all. Nobody else in welcome all yet. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. Okay, we're coming to the end of our show right now. I've got to go work on a new premiere for this evening. We've just grown to 6,049 subscribers. Gained another one. Thank you very much. We've got 38 watching and 60 likes. Phenomenal. We never quite got 100, so there's no cash giveaway today. Thank you ever so much. Right, HD Goen. I said if he became my top fan by the end of the show. Here he is now on TikTok. Are you still there? You need to still be there. If you're not there, I can't do much about it. So, HD Goen, are you over there on TikTok? Yes, sir. Right. And I had a little... I do this. If you become a top gifter on my channel, Oh, hang on. Let me refresh that. It's a bit dead. There we go. I will follow you back. It's a service I do for my members, subscribers, and my top gifters. Follow you back and tag you in my viral post. I have 31,000 followers. Be very, very careful, HD. Lots of people will comment, message you and pretend to be me. They're not me. I never message anyone. And I don't follow anyone unless they're a member, a subscriber, or a top gifter. So here we go. I'm touching the screen now, and I'm going to follow you back. There we go. You've got 528 followers. You now have 529 followers, and I will tag you in my viral posts, so I hope it grows your channel. I've got 31,000 followers, and what people on TikTok or YouTube is, they like people with big followers to follow them. That promotes their channel, and I do it. You're very, very welcome. I will tag you in my viral posts, and I will comment back to you wherever I can, because I want to see you have 31,000 followers as well. So thanks for being my top fan today. Thank you very much indeed. If you click the little star up here, see the star right there? If you become a subscriber, and this is only for my subscribers, I will actually make you a video as well. Put your channel on the screen here behind me, and I will do a TikTok video inviting everyone to follow your channel, and I put it on my channel, and I promote it. And a lot of my subscribers, that's why my subscribers subscribe to me on TikTok. They love that because that gets them lots of followers. So you subscribe to me on the little star when it appears here. And right after today's show, straight after the show, in the next few minutes, I will record it for you, put your channel on the screen here, record it, tag you in it, post it onto your site, your profile as well as my own, so all of my 31,000 followers will see your commercial, if you like. And I do that for my subscribers only. Okay, back to you guys. Gold up 15 points, I think that is. Gold will hit 2,000 soon. Gold going up right now to 1905. Where are you from, Anthony? I'm from Palm Bay, Florida, says Stephen Lewandowski. Right, let's wrap up the show with Day Trader of the Day. Andy is trying to get me now to 10,000 likes on TikTok. Andy is one of my top viewers as well. I'm working on my very own Discord channel, says Ali Tisro. We're excited about that. What Ali actually means, I just want to make that clear. Ali will have his own server. He will have a channel on my server, and we're going to bring you a very special crypto series, and the information will be on our server in Ali Tisro's channel. But if you want extra information, all the finer details, it will link to Ali's own server, and he'll have his own server and channels on his own server to bring you exclusive premium content. Okay? Okay, let's do Day Trader of the Day right now. Now, I'm going to end the show. Here is... if anybody would like to subscribe to Livestreamer Cafe, let me give you that link in the chat now, and you want to help us get ready for our big launch day in a few weeks' time. We're going to have a really, really special day that day, and I'm very excited about it. That's coming up soon. What else do we have? Yes, if you wanted to, if you missed it and you want to check out my world premiere 2 days ago, there will be a world premiere tonight. I've got to make it. I'm very excited about it. There's the world premiere for a couple of days ago, and here's my YouTube playlist, which are doing very well now on YouTube, thanks to all of you. We still need 600 more watch hours, guys, by the end of this month. We've only got half the month to go. Otherwise, my channel is in danger of being demonetized, so please help me. Otherwise, I can't do my live concerts. We can't raise money for charities because the channel won't be monetized. There'll be no way to collect funds. All right, so please help me out with that. Pick a playlist and let it run. Okay. Day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio right now. This is my position. I am down 0.32. Down 0.32%. Or 39 now. Let me update it before I release it. I'm sure it will change in a second. Down 0.39%. There you go. When the first person posts, we will put a 1 minute on the clock, and we will do day trader of the day. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. I am down 0.39. Let's see where everybody comes in. Down 1.1. Says Stephen. Down 1.1. Flutter Edits goes into the lead. I nearly won there. I'm up 80%. Anthony Mallion, it can't be on one stock. It can't be. Remember, we talked about this before. Up 80%, no portfolio. A general portfolio would be up 80%. You might be up 80% on one stock or one crypto, but you can't be up 80% on an. That's why everyone is around these sort of numbers. Look, up 1%, down 1%. Andrew Grady's got no idea. He's investing with no idea what he's doing. He doesn't even know if he's losing money. He doesn't even care. He doesn't even care if he's losing money. 212 doesn't. Oh, I can't read that out. Okay, let me just end that. It looks like our winner. I can't take obviously Anthony's number. 1.43. It looks like Stephen Rose at 0.013. 1.43. It looks like that. That looks like the winner. Yep, that does. Crag, I just started using 212 so I could buy Vorb. Up 3% right at the last moment. Thank you for sharing that. But gold and is that NZD USD. I'm not sure what NZD USD. New Zealand US dollars. Is that right? I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Anyway, Churchy is the winner. So I don't know why Churchy was so bloody miserable this morning. He came in all moaning. And he's bloody won again. He's a miserable bugger, isn't he? There we go. Church of Logic. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And congratulations to you. Nice Church, congratulations. I'm on GBP, GPY and US 30, says Stephen Rowe. LOL, very miserable. Thanks everyone. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, miserable sod. There you go. Right, it's time to end the show. There you go, 10,000 likes on TikTok. Let's have a look. Let's go over that. 2 days in a row, I've never tapped your head so much. Andrew Grady, let me share it on the screen. Look, there you go, right at the top of the screen. Look, right. It's so hard to do this, folks. You've got no idea. Like, trying to point, there you go, that direction. 10,900 likes. See it? 11,000. Look at that. And awesome stuff. If I get a subscriber, I've got 6 now. I don't think anyone's become a subscriber during the show. If they do, I make a video for them at the end of the show. Anyway, there you go. I'm fine. I'm perfectly happy being down 0.43. In fact, it's worked out very nicely for me. If I show you, I've gained a few more things. Well, I didn't buy anything other than Virgin Orbit. The rest is left in cash, which is great because look, we could have bigger drops. Patience is everything. Patience is a virtue. That's what my mum and dad said. Patience is a virtue. There you go. All right. So please, while I'm off air, if you want to support this channel or my music channel, the music channel right now is in danger of... Oh, hello. I've got Meet Kevin on the show. Look at that. That's me talking about Meet Kevin. Look at that. Should I show that? Look, there's Meet Kevin. Look, there was me talking about Meet Kevin. These are some of the playlists you can go and check out. What I thought of Meet Kevin. I thought he talked rubbish. He likes to say stuff on his channel which gets you to watch. And that's fine. I should do that. I might have 1 million subscribers as well. But I would rather tell you the truth. Anyway, was there someone that was having a problem on LSC? Was there someone? You've got the coder, the creator, Superman himself. If you were, he's there to help you right now. I think we got someone sign up today. Someone said, I've signed up today. Chris, you probably know who that is. Anyway, if you come on in and you can become a fan and all that stuff and blah, 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 and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, he's a scammer. Who's a scammer? I know I'm getting carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome. All right. Okay, let's end the show right there then. So someone needs to say to me, roll the credits. I'm going to get out of here. Please do. Oh, yeah, Meet Kevin's a scammer. Yeah. Look, I'm not going to say bad of anyone. What he does for his family is up to him, you know. But he'll say whatever gets... And that's why all his videos are the doom and gloom face. I've never seen Meet Kevin happy on a thumbnail. Never. And you know why? Because drama, doom and gloom sells the videos better than me smiling and putting my thumbs up. I'm always happy. Nobody wants that. They want, I'm losing all my money. It's all going to zero. They watch that. Well, that's fine. He has gazillion dollars. I don't need a gazillion dollars. I'm a millionaire because of all you guys. I couldn't care less. I make about $11 a day on YouTube and I feel like a millionaire. I don't care. Just tell you the truth. All right. Roll the credits. Make sure that you watch my music channel while I'm away. I have only got till the end of the month. Potentially, I don't know that as a fact, but that's what I think. At the end of the month, it'll refresh. And if I'm not at 4,000 watch hours by the end of the month, I could be demonetized. And that would be a bloody disaster because he's got no margin. He's got no margin. Yeah, I'm sure. Kevin's got no margin. I wouldn't have thought he has. I don't know. No idea. He never shares his full portfolio, so no one actually knows, do they? He could be broke. It could be a big scam. I don't bloody know. Anyway, let's roll the credits. Here we go. Roll the credits. Bring in the music. Let's get out of here. Let me go and do something else. Can have a cup of tea. Have a lie down. Have a talk to my wife. You know, stuff like that. Normal stuff like that. All right. Here we go. Roll the credits. Did anyone do anything nice today? Are they going to be famous on the credits? Are you going to be famous right now? Did you do me a super chat? Thanks for your support. Super chat, stars of the show, Andrew Grady and Mike. Thank you so much for your support to the channel. Subscriptions, Hendrik Groen and Ricardo Alia. That is, of course, only the public subscribers. There are many more. That's just the public subscribers. Some of you hide your subscriptions. Don't know why. Maybe you're watching naughty channels. I don't know. Don't want to know. Subscriptions, Hendrik Groen, Ricardo Alia, and members, Naz, Frank Villano, James Owen, and Shadstream. Some of you are new and some of you have just celebrated your memberships. Fantastic. That's it. Crypto portfolio is coming. Ali Tisro's getting excited. I'm getting excited. We're all excited. Why? No bloody idea, but it sounds great, so that's good. We're happy with it. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. You know you can't miss it. You've got to be here, right? It's the best YouTube channel in the world. See you all back this afternoon. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be good. Have a cup of tea. Tell someone you love them. Don't get into a fight. Don't go on YouTube, Twitter and say rubbish to Elon Musk. Yeah, go and do that. Go and do that. It's a good idea. Anyway, give me a quick chat when you're off. Christopher Marantet, I will call you straight away as I hang up this stream. So get ready for it. It's going to be very exciting. All right, Chris is sitting there thinking, Martyn Lucas, this really famous YouTuber, is about to call me. He actually calls me up. Oh, yeah. He tells his neighbours. See that guy on YouTube? Well, Piano Man, investor, he calls me up. He calls me up, he does. He calls me up and he calls me his mate. And he talks to me for ages. about stuff. Yeah. Makes him feel important. I love this life. I've got a good life. See you later on, folks. Take care of yourselves. I didn't get a comment back from Chris. He'll give me hell in a minute when I see him. Have a wonderful afternoon. Take care of yourselves. Should we get the music right today? Let's get it right. Let's bring it in. Let's turn it up. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ray Carrillo, are you the son of another Carrillo I know? Take care of yourselves and each other.